What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on what, but hope it's awesome. And yes, we are back at it today, man. I gotta say, I was super disappointed that I missed my morning stream because of some soccer. I mean, it was great that I saw my daughter play some soccer, but yes, dude, what a crazy day. I don't know if I've had crazy of a I couldn't tell you, man. To see the markets do what they were doing, and to see where we're at right now after such a crazy, maybe such a dismal downward February was just crazy. And I honestly, I was speechless today. I couldn't believe what I read. We're going to cover everything again. I know a lot of you guys have read up on these things. You guys are caught up on it, but I'm going to hash and give my opinions on really everything that's transpired today. I think it's super important that everyone sort of realizes that what we're doing here in terms of this strategic reserve and what this actually means for crypto. And I just couldn't be more excited for everyone. Honestly, I couldn't be more happy for everyone who endured this dip, was able to buy into this dip, and was able to bring their DCA down. Because right now you should probably be feeling pretty damn good with your positions, with your bag, everything. Everyone should be in the green right now for the most part. If you were actually following the DCA strategy that we've been doing for like literally since January 20th. And if that strategy actually worked out for you, like you are sitting massively in the green right now. A lot of us are literally probably thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars up right now in terms of profits. I mean, I don't want to share how much I've made over the past day, but it's substantial amount, right? I mean, I've been in a massive swing trade for multiple cryptos. You guys know that. I've been sharing with you guys for a while, and I know you guys are there right with me. And I just couldn't be more excited for everyone and anyone on the channel, the entire A team. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys because we've all come together here on this channel and endured this basically probably close to 50-day just abysmal, downturn. And it's nice to sort of see us come back here. And so before I jump into everything, I just want to say what's up, man. What's up, Derek? Jeffrey, good to see you, dude. Elliot, Z Goals, yeah, soccer today, man. Soccer, we pump on soccer days, man. We pump on soccer days. It just is what it is. Ultra Maga, what's going on? Good to see Richard. Vincenzo, appreciate you, dude. Thank you so much, man. Seems that I trade stocks sometimes. I get a little nervous. Following you, I was never in that state. Oh, man, I appreciate that a ton, dude. And what's up to everyone here on TikTok as well? Appreciate you guys being here today. Or tonight, I guess. I say today, but tonight. What's up, Inca, Ian, Brandon, T-Dog? If I missed some of you guys, I'm sorry. Hey, Derek, thanks so much for the $5 super chat here. I got 5K to play with right now. What's a safe play, dude? I honestly think that if you put it into anything that Donald Trump has announced as being part of the strategic reserve, I don't think you can lose, dude. I don't think you can lose. I think all-time highs are coming for pretty much any crypto that goes into strategic reserve and or a crypto that's going to be an ETF. I don't see us looking back now, dude. I see that this actually solidified a massive rally. Yeah, we're having a little bit of a downturn right now in the market. You can see right now we are slightly down. Just the last hour here, the hour turned over 30 minutes ago. So this last 30 minutes has been a little bit down for the most part. But you got to think, massive amounts of money have rallied into this cryptocurrency market right now. I mean, we're talking, what did I say? Like $600 billion came into the cryptocurrency market in the last like 4 hours. I mean, you got to think that's actually pretty incredible to think that much money came flowing inward. And yeah, is it market manipulation? Probably. Is there a lot of things out there that it's out of our control? Absolutely. But one thing that I know for sure is we've actually been just been killing it today, dude. So HBAR is always delayed on the pump. Yeah, it's been doing good though. I mean, it held through when everything else was dumping. HBAR actually held through, dude. HBAR has been killing it. The HBAR potential is massive. Still ranked number 11 right now at $11.4 billion market cap. This was actually at a 9.6 just yesterday. And now we've added literally $2 billion, almost $2 to $3 billion to this. Hedera was actually ranked 20th literally 3 days ago. It was ranked number 20. And it's jumped all the way to number 11 with all the news of what it's going to do. And, again, the ETFs are a real thing. Not only did we just announce a strategic reserve for XRP, dude, we announced a strategic return. We announced a crypto strategic reserve to include XRP, to include Solana, ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're only going to add more to that, right? There's going to be a lot more added to any American-based crypto is probably going to get added to the strategic reserve, and that means to me that the SEC case is going to drop. That means that all these are going to come with an ETF. And I've always said that when these things happen, we're going to see all-time highs. This is the first time I think that I can comfortably say on this channel where I do not pose a question. Usually I'll say, are all-time highs incoming question mark? And this time is the first time that I can officially answer that. Yes, I do believe right now, like 100% certain the all-time highs for XRP, for HBAR, for Stellar, for every one of these cryptos out here that they announced. ADA, I just feel like all-time highs are incoming for all of them, dude. We're in a bull run now. This solidified the bull run and the altcoin season that's coming up here. The Bitcoin dominance literally has just dropped off the map because of all the money flowing into these altcoins. And I honestly, this is the first time I could officially, comfortably say on here that like I have no doubt now that we'll see the markets be able to rally to a point where we're going to say, yeah, all-time highs are here, dude. They're going to come. And I've never felt that comfortable or confident saying that as of today. I mean, just with this announcement alone, which is just really crazy to see. I don't know where it's at right here. With Donald Trump coming out here and saying that this is a critical industry, being cryptocurrency, after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is now my executive order on digital assets directs the presidential working group to move forward on crypto strategic reserves that include XRP, Solana, and ADA. And then he came back and followed that up with another tweet out here that said that he'd also like to add Bitcoin and Ethereum to that. And this is huge. This is the biggest thing to ever happen in crypto. And you saw the charts react that way. And I couldn't be more happier for it, honestly. Garrett, thanks so much for the $5 super chat, man. Yeah, let's go. I've been excited all day. I've been waiting to let it out, waiting to come on stream. Obviously I had soccer today with the kiddos. So, I was trying to get back and get on here. And so as soon as we got back, I had to, get ready and come on live. So yeah, I felt kind of like naked in a way that I didn't have my morning stream today, and just go figure, it happens when I'm at soccer. So yeah, dude, appreciate you guys a ton over here. And sorry, I'm scrolling fast through the comments right here. What's up, boy? What's up, Augustine? Good to see you, man. Already invested in HBAR and XRP, wasn't late to anything. Yeah, and that's where I'm going to say to a lot of people here that I do believe that if you are not getting into crypto right now, at least the ones that were announced right here by Trump, I mean, I don't know what else to say, to be honest with you. I mean, you already know where this is going. I mean, and what's crazy too about this is that that other governments, whether that's outside the United States, you don't think that they're going to try to make their own strategic reserves with this stuff? I mean, the amount of money that can inflow into crypto right now is, we're talking trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. I mean, the global scale of where all assets are what over $100 trillion, I think is the global asset market right now is over $100 trillion. The American stock market is at a 55 trillion. And right now on a global level, we just passed back over, I think we're back over $3 trillion. Yeah, $3.1 trillion. So just think of how small that is. That's such a small. We're so early. We keep saying that we're so early. We're actually like I think we're now like, what is it, 7%ers? We were the 4%ers last bull run. Now we're the 7%ers. I mean, only 7% of the world actually owns crypto. That blows my mind to even think about that. So yeah, we can see right here that roughly $330 billion inflowed into the cryptocurrency markets in the last 4 hours, which is just insane. And on top of that, 160 million worth of shorts were liquidated. So who do you think is actually making money off this? Who do you think is actually the ones that are making a ton of money from these shorts? Yes, you probably guessed it. And that's where the manipulation of this market is insane, because you already know where a lot of these people are making their money. And the centralized exchanges and these institutions are making a ton of money off of shorting the longs, getting the wrecking the longs and wrecking the shorts, dude. Can't wait for the Lambo. Yeah, man. Seattle's in the building. Hell yeah, dude. Austin, we're back in the green. We are, dude. It's looking good, man. What's up, Ryan? Good to see you, bud. Appreciate you being here. Subscriber mode is on, dude. I think I actually put it on in anticipation that we were probably going to have a lot of comments here, and I probably wasn't going to be able to keep up with you guys. And so, like I said, if I missed some of your comments, I'm so sorry, dude. 7 to 10 by end of year estimate. I've always said 7 to 10. 7 to 10 for XRP has always been my estimate for crypto, for XRP's price. I've always said that. And I stand to it, dude. 385 is right around the corner. 385 for XRP is right around the corner. Inca, thanks so much for gifting 20 memberships to the A-team. If Inca gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. Appreciate you, bro. And those 20 new members, welcome. And I couldn't be more appreciative of that as well. Should I try ADA? Again, ADA is a slow mover, except today. ADA is the day. This is the day where ADA has, solidified its position in. Look at that. Look at it. Was just flat, sitting here at 66 cents. 66 cents, and it just shot all the way up to $1.12. Like, phenomenal, dude. Phenomenal. This is great. So is the $3 range is it within reach for ADA? Absolutely, dude. ADA it's definitely within reach now. There's no questions asked. I think any crypto going into a strategic reserve is going to hit its all-time high without any questions, dude. So what's the big news today? Obviously, the big news. Everyone knows big news today. Benjamin Carter, what's up, buddy? Leading this army. How exciting. No, I appreciate you guys a ton, dude. You guys we all work through it together here, showed up every day, looked at the charts every day, talked about everything today, and it's just great feeling. One really, really good thing here is Grayscale actually tweeted out here just a little bit ago. They're talking about the digital large cap fund called GDLC is the only publicly traded fund in the U.S. that holds only the same crypto assets as the U.S. Strategic Reserve: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and ADA. So look at this, guys. This is crazy. They're trying to come out and create this. I mean, this is already out here, but now they're going to continue to add to this. This is big, guys. This is big. Grayscale Digital Cat Fund may file registration statements with the SEC for offering this communication. So, I mean, they're coming out and offering a fund now, just like basically the same thing as an ETF out here that's going to basically have all these in here. And these funds will continue to grow. These funds will get bigger and bigger and bigger. And Grayscale's not the only one going to do this. You got BlackRock coming out, probably going to do it. I mean, you got Canary. You got all these companies, dude. 21 Shares is going to come out and do it. I mean, there's just or 21 Shares is BlackRock, but you're going to have all these people come out here and do this. How do we send the stop loss so that happens again? It's go on there and set a stop loss, or set it above the price, or do a trailing. So one of the two, dude. That guy, dude, man. What's up, Terry? Good to see you, buddy. Thank you so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. If Terry gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Terry, and those 10 new members, welcome, my friend. Appreciate you guys for all the support. Honestly, you come across very humble. I really enjoy your lives, and they are only ones I tune into. Augustine, I appreciate you, man. Like I said, I try to stay true, right? I mean, I know we get a lot of trolls in the house here. We get a lot of people that are hating on it, but these are the days that the trolls, they're not in here speaking now, dude. Where are the trolls today? Because a lot of things that are said, a lot of things that we've waited for and discussed are coming to fruition. You know what I mean? And you're going to have a lot of people out there who are bearish on the market that have missed this pump. So the people that are going to be upset about, you're going to get a lot of people in these chats, TikTok, YouTube, that are going to be angry because they missed this opportunity because they were super bearish. And it only took one statement from the most powerful person in the world to say, hey, America is making a strategic reserve with these assets, which completely just, altered the course of crypto forever. I mean, to think that these governments are going to come and do this and they're already working on it's crazy. March 7th, we know, is the first summit for the White House. And you think that other governments are just going to let the United States continue to invest in one of the largest growing industries in the world, the fastest and largest growing industry in the world right now in crypto with technology? You think that the U.S. is only going to be having their hands in it? No, you'd be so naive to think that. You'd be so naive to think that. Is Solana better than ADA? It's just different. I think that they're different. They do different things. ADA's coming out with a Bitcoin layer 2. That is actually really good for ADA. I mean, that's super bullish for ADA to do a layer 2 with Bitcoin, just like how like ordinals are and stacks and stuff like that, where you could actually build using layer 2 Bitcoin. I like that kind of stuff. That's really good stuff. Bought some of the dip mainly because of the alliance that market was red. So stoked. Good, Lloyd. I love it. I love to hear it, man. The chat is on fire. Hell yeah, 808 memes. It is. I appreciate that. We got 1,313 people in here watching right now. Thank you guys so much for joining. Make sure you hit that like button. We got 96 people over here on TikTok watching right now, and I appreciate each and every one of you over here as well. I think we're going to hit a 5K ETH soon. Yeah, I think we're going to hit all-time highs for everything, dude. ETH, Bitcoin, everything, dude. Austin, I found your channel in January and started loading my bag with XRP. Can't thank you enough. Oh, dude, that's great, man. That's great. And you know what, dude? I know you guys come and say thank you to me, but I mean, it's really you guys pushing the button. It's you guys actually buying your positions and withstanding all the FUD, all the all that fear out there, all the uncertainty. A lot of people out there creating this negative narrative out there that really tests your ability to whether you want to your resolve in a way. Even me, dude. Sometimes I'm like, man, dude, like sometimes I even get down on myself. So, I'm not gonna sit here and say I wake up every day and it's like gung ho. I'm in these swing trades too, and sometimes these swing trades can get a little rough. You know what I mean? My H bar trade was, I had like $60,000 in my H bar trade. I still have it going, and I waited through that whole dip, buying and buying and buying, and trust me, dude, it picks on you a little bit. You know what I mean? And so kudos to you guys, to everyone that was able to withstand that, dude. The market was looking horrible. The market was looking, I mean, it's the worst February we had in crypto, I think. So good day, brother. Good day to you too, John. XRP explain, please, everyone, how crazy this is for. This is insane. And I put out a tweet talking about this, and I think it's great, dude. I think it's absolutely phenomenal. So you had Brad Garnhouse come out here and talk about this crypto reserve, right? He said, "I've said this before. If we work together, the crypto industry will achieve our goals and beyond. I applaud crypto president Donald Trump." Its vision and sovereign digital asset reserves that represent the industry. And I couldn't agree more with him because, as you guys know, the maxis out there, the Bitcoin maxis, and everyone out there that continually attacks the industry, every single crypto except Bitcoin is an enemy to crypto, which is just insane to me. And I got to say that this actually, every Bitcoin maxi out there is literally crying tears right now. They're probably out there sulking in something. But it just goes to show you that a lot of us, myself, like I believe in crypto, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum. I want the whole crypto industry to grow. I want all of us to be successful. I don't want just the people in Bitcoin to be successful. I want everyone to be successful. And that's kind of like the what Trump has done here by opening up the doors and allowing more than just Bitcoin to come in. He's opened the doors to saying, hey, it's not just Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's a great asset. We all continue to love Bitcoin. It's my largest bag in crypto. I'll still continue to support Bitcoin, but there's a whole nother picture to crypto than just Bitcoin. And I think we're starting to all see that. And I think a lot of people are starting to see that, including Donald Trump, President Trump. And I think it's just great to sort of see this. People are so furious right now on YouTube or on TikTok, or not TikTok, on X about the Bitcoin stuff. It's crazy to me, dude. But it just shows you how tribalism tribalism kills the cat, dude. I mean, that's honestly what it comes down to. What's your prediction of the XRP at the end of the year? I've already said, I think, dude, I mean, we're easily sitting, I think, at a $7 to $10 range. Like now with all this coming in, I don't see why. More soccer, Austin? Yeah, we can do some more soccer coming in. Will HBAR be included, do you think? I think so. I think HBAR, I think any of the top 10 cryptos that are again, they have to be United US. They have to be in the US. So I think a lot of these are going to be, iffy. So like, I don't think BNB is going to be in there. I don't think Dogecoin is going to be in there. Hedera is going to be in there. Chainlink's going to be in there. Stellar is going to be in there. I don't know if Litecoin is a United States-based company. I'd have to look at some of these. Some of these I don't know. But yeah, I think these US-based companies are definitely going to be in the strategic reserve. Why would you not? The whole goal is to promote American-based crypto companies and continually build those. And if we have Swift, one of the biggest transaction, company in the world, doing over $150 million $150 trillion in transactions a year, that is willing to work with HBAR, and then you're going to have a strategic reserve where I'm assuming, and it's probably going to be announced later, but I would assume that you're going to include HBAR in the strategic reserve as well. On top of that, you're going to have other companies coming out here. Like I said right here, Grayscale is already creating a large cap fund for all of these cryptos. So this large cap fund, not only are you going to have an ETF for just Ethereum or for just Hedera, you're going to come out and they're going to create ones for XRP, for Solana. And then on top of that, you're going to have these large growth funds that are going to include Bitcoin, Ethereum, just like the S&P 500. All these funds are going to come out here. This is bigger. I mean, like, just think on a scale how big this is for crypto. Because when these large growth funds come out here and people can start investing in large growth funds, they can invest directly into an ETF with Hedera. Like, it's on a scale that I can't even describe if you start to really think about it. Like I said, $55 trillion is in the U.S. stock market. If you're starting to move some of that stock market into crypto through an ETF, through these large growth funds, you know how much money is going to flow from the stock market right now into the funds of the digital age right here with Grayscale starting it off with their large growth fund. I mean, like, I know I sound like I'm a little bit intense right now, but like, that is such a big deal. I was thinking about the whole drive home from Seattle. I was like, this is crazy when you start to really think about how much money is going to flow into crypto now. Like, just off of this tweet by Trump, just off of this direction that Trump is giving, like, I can't even fathom. I mean, we could be sitting, 12 to, maybe $20 trillion. This is globally. This isn't just, this opens up the door globally. It's kind of crazy, dude. It makes me really hot, to be honest, thinking about it, because like, I just think of how, like, we're so early to this. Like, we're so early to this, guys. And to wake up and see us in the green, to wake up and look at my ledger and then my swing trade, like, I haven't been this happy. I mean, I'm happy in life, but I mean, I haven't been this happy looking at something in a long time. Even when we were sitting at like, I'm going to be honest with you, even when we were sitting at like the 385 we're up here at like 315, We went all the way up here for XRP. We hit 340. Like I was super stoked. But for some reason, I'm even more excited now than at sitting at this price at 281 than I was then. And I think it's because we finally have clear direction. I think it's that we're finally starting to figure out exactly what it is. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, dude. Benjamin Carter, thanks so much for the $10 super chat over here. Austin, you taught me a ton. My family owes you some gratitude. Oh, I appreciate you, Benjamin, dude. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you for being here. And thank you so much for the super chat, dude. Am I in trouble with the 4,000 at 292? I don't think so, dude. I think there's a lot of people that are positioned at that. A lot of people, dude, you got to think there's a massive amount of volume at $3 for XRP still. Like don't get that wrong. The 330 range has a lot. We broke through it, but that $3 range is actually a really hard range to get over. And now you're sitting here at 296. I think everyone's just hold on tight, dude. I don't think that anyone should get up. If you were able to withstand these dips down to $1.96, I think you should be okay. Do you expect things right now to go even higher tomorrow? Yeah, I think obviously we have, look at these fair value gaps that got left open here. So you got to think the markets are still going to continue to do what the market's going to do, right? Even with this announcement, the people are still going to play the game. There's still a game to be played in crypto here. Like, let's not forget that, okay? There's still people here shorting. There's still people here longing. There's still people here trying to make money in other ways. Obviously a lot of us here are spot trading, but these fair value gaps will probably get filled to some degree, right? And we already know that. We know that majority of these fair value gaps get filled to some extent. Can this come back down to 250? Probably. Yeah, this could probably sit right up here at the 382 level and come back down and be filled up at like the 260 marker and bounce back up. But those are okay. We know that those are the games to be played in here. These are the times where you want to make these swing trades and or enter into the markets when these come back down. My rule is I will never buy on a green candle, especially a God candle like this. This is a God candle, guys. This is a candle. I mean, we went literally in 3 days, we went all the way up 52%. 52% just today alone, guys. If you include yesterday and into today, we're up 41%. And even still right now, we're up 32%. Like that's a God candle. And so there's going to be a pullback. The market pulls back. The market will pull back because there's people playing both sides of the spectrum here. So just realize that. We don't always continue up, because if we continued up constantly like that, it would actually be extremely unhealthy for the market because people would just never enter into the market. So please just realize that. And obviously the presidential coin with Trump, Trump's coin gone up massively, guys. I mean, I know people are out here dogging Trump and we're dogging memes and I'm dogging memes. I'll be honest with you, dude. Like, I'll probably never buy a meme again. Trump might be my last meme I'll ever buy. But we're sitting here and I'm actually just broke even with Trump, dude. I didn't put a ton of money into Trump, but I'm broke even with him. I'm at $16. That was my price. So $16, and it's sitting here just above 16. So here we are. I have a running theory that Ripple's case resolves during the crypto summit. Dude, I hope it does. Jonathan, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. I have a great bag of XRP, H bar XCC. Should I trade my bag for XCC for American crypto? No, I don't think so, dude. I think you should continue it's up to you, dude. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm holding my crypto. Nothing's going to change. I think those are all great, and I think they're all going to continue to rally. Should I buy more XRP tonight or wait? Markets tend to pull back. Like I said, we have a massive fair value gap right now, literally from 280, 279, all the way down to 222. So you got to think there was a massive gap left in the market here, and usually this gap will probably get filled to some extent. Like I said, it could drop down to 270. 260. Usually we come and fill up half of this, so like 255 could probably be something. I'm gonna have to do my numbers on this. We just got back, dude. Like I just got back. I got on stream and I'm looking at it. Like I haven't even had enough time to peel numbers apart and really like actually put together a strategy for buying this for buying up this next swing trade. You know what I mean? Like I haven't even done that yet. So bear with me on that. Archer, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. If Archer gifted you a membership, please say thank you. Thank you so much, bro. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys. What are the others? Included Hedera, Stellar, Algo, Ondo. Yeah, Ondo's a good one too. Don't sweat Ondo. I mean, Ondo's definitely come back pretty hard right now. What's prediction on ADA for the end of 2025? That's a tough one, dude. That's a tough one right now for ADA. I'll be honest with you. I just with this announcement, I can see ADA doing good things. The layer 2 that they're doing with Bitcoin, I think is phenomenal. Like, kudos. I'm not a big Charles fan. You guys know that, but kudos to him for going outside the box. I've already said that anyone that could build a layer 2 and be able to build with Bitcoin, it could be successful. And it's good to hear that Cardano is doing that. And I dig it, dude. 10,700 more subscribers, and Austin stays on. You're funny, bro. You're funny, dude. I want to tell you how you've changed my life. I would never have known about Popeye's chicken. Jeff Joe. You funny, man. XLM is run. Yeah. XLM's coming up pretty hot right now. The whole market, like you can't go wrong today, dude. Any crypto that you bought on this, I mean, yeah, ADA had a 63% increase. You know, obviously XRP went up 27%. A lot of the cryptos out here did very, very well. I mean, you know, Chainlink went up 14%. Any of these dips you bought have done incredible numbers, dude. Incredible numbers. Can I talk slowly? Sorry, dude. I'm on one, bro. My bad. I honestly I'm excited. I'm happy to be in front of the A team, and I've been waiting. This has been pent up since 8 a.m. this morning, dude. While I was going to soccer, so I've had literally almost 10 hours of just like pent up, like waiting just to spew nonsense to you guys. That's kind of what I've been waiting for. So I've only started investing in crypto in January at the height of the market, and all of a sudden I feel like I got on the ground floor. Dude, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. See, when you actually stick to your convictions of just buying and trying to bring your dollar cost average down, you actually this is great for a lot of people that just got in here. You finally get to see sort of what it's like, and now you've experienced it. So now you know like the correct way to really do this. People who sell out of fear miss these opportunities. People, because now they were waiting on the sidelines, and they missed this opportunity. I guarantee you there's probably a significant portion of people in crypto right now that miss this opportunity because they listen to the bears in crypto. I've been saying for the longest time on this channel, and I don't say like I told you so, but we were in like the numbers were not mathing. The math did not math. Everyone said we're in a bear market. Like the math just did not math, dude. And I get the markets do what they're going to do, but this correction we knew this correction was going to happen. How far was it going to go? I don't know. We pulled the numbers. We pulled the numbers back in January 6th. I showed you guys the video that we were on live, and I said, hey, if there's a 28% correction on Bitcoin, we're going to go down to a 78,000 Bitcoin. And that's exactly what happened. Did I know it was going to do that? No, but we at least discussed it, prepared for it potentially. And, that's kind of what happened, unfortunately. But those correction, we knew the correction was coming. We thought it was going to come in. We thought I personally thought February was going to do well, and it was going to fall off in March. February was horrible, and now here we are in March. So yeah, kind of crazy. VChain would do okay. Crow looking good too. Yeah, I saw Crow was actually tearing up pretty good. So kudos to Crow. Kudos to any dude. All crypto's doing really well right now. You couldn't miss. You don't need to be a whale to become very wealthy in crypto. No, you don't need to be, dude. You can start making good money. I mean, a lot of these things have come out. They're already crashing again. They're not crashing, dude. That's just a correction. You have to have a correction in the market, bro. Any of these, you have to have a correction. You can't just continually ride up forever. You got to create new entry points, new levels. Like this could come back down to 3.3 right here, maybe even lower to 3.2 level and bounce back up. Like I said, I'm going to spend some time probably tonight going through my numbers for where these could come down to, using the fib and everything like that. So stop loss. Yeah. Great to see you. You too, Husky. Appreciate the mental say, yeah, there's always be trolls, right? We're there. I'm scrolling fast, guys, trying to catch up to you guys. So what's your thoughts on XLM, HBAR, long-term? Dude, I'm 100% in on those, and we'll continue to hold them. I'm not going anywhere with those. Great day, well deserved for XRP holders, 100%, dude. XRP is, this is what a lot of us have been here waiting for. I talk about this the most, and I just couldn't be more excited for it. XRP in the next 5 years, tough to say. I mean, I hope this bull run we hit $7, $10, and I mean that could be now with this announcement that could be chump change. What is up with HBAR? I'm invested heavily. Oh yeah, I mean just news that they're going to work with. They're going to be working with Swift. They had one of the representatives from Swift at the HederaCon, basically talking about using Hedera to some degree, and I think that sparked up a lot of things. Plus, they're dude. If you go to Polymarket, they're Litecoin and Hedera are the two leaders right now for having an ETF coming here, which will probably happen in March. I bet you now with this announcement, we're going to see Ripple hopefully come to an end. And I hope that we have ETFs for these things coming up pretty quick. Yeah, sorry, Jonathan. I was trying to catch up to you guys. I almost sold all my crows because it was really bearish. Yeah, crow's kind of been a bearish thing, but I mean, I'm happy if you held on to it, man. The maxis are so ridiculous. Yeah, I'm so far behind, guys. I'm going to keep scrolling as fast as I can. Travis, thanks for being a member for 2 months, dude. XRP always moons when you're at a soccer game. I know it does, dude. That's the joke in the Discord. That's the joke around everywhere. How much XRP would you say you'll have if you set to high numbers within the next few years. I think that they're saying what? I think they're saying like 10,000 XRP is what you should hold. I think that was a number that everyone put out there was like 10,000 XRP, which is like roughly 20K, which is a lot of money if you think about it. But I mean, that's kind of what they were saying. I'm glad I didn't miss this experience. Thank you. Yeah, I'm happy you didn't miss it either, Ethan or Evan. I said Ethan. Evan. I'm so happy you didn't miss it either, man. Austin, can I troll just to keep our spirits alive? What's up, Marty? Wish I had been here back before November. Yeah, I wish so too, man. I wasn't streaming, dude. I was a little bit I was doing my own thing at that time. I kind of took a break from streaming, and then right after the election, I was like, dude, I mean, I got to get back into the swing of things here. Don't want to think how bad off the crypto would have been if dude. Yeah, what's up, Kai? Good to see Kai. I haven't seen Kai in a minute, dude. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. Your perpetual optimism is infectious. Warsaw, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. I know Warsaw's happy, dude. Warsaw was down. I think you told me we were down like hundreds of thousands of dollars, dude. So I know that you're back in the game, dude. I know you're back up looking good right now. Chad, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. What about the 5X guy, 50X guys? What did he know? The 50X guy? I don't know. Who's the 50X guy, Chad? I don't even know who the 50X guy is. Is Robinhood a safe app? I mean, I wouldn't store my crypto on Robinhood. No way, dude. What do you think about Ondo? I love Ondo. I think Ondo's going to do good things, man. Yeah, at first I was a little hesitant when they were going to sell off some of their released tokens, but they held strong through that. 808 Mimi, Austin, you've been such a wonderful guiding light for us, new people. I don't follow anyone but the A team. Dude, I appreciate you a ton, 808 Mimis. Thank you so much for all your guys' support too. You're all counting your chickens before they hatch. Dave, is that you, Dave? Dave, checking in on you, making sure everything's good, dude. We literally closed bearish, not created new bullish. I don't know what we're saying there. What will happen on Tuesday? We'll see what happens. I think the tariffs are baked in now. Tariffs are 100% baked in. Yeah, Rich knows what I'm talking about. Dave. Crunch Concert Channel, thanks so much for the $5 super chat, dude. Great show. I'll jump on HBAR at 25. Does HBAR have a path to 2? Yeah, dude. I mean, like I said, working with Swift, obviously working when the ETF comes out, there's a lot of positive things coming in for it, dude. I jumped in at 12 a couple days ago. Nice, bro. That's actually a good buy. You still think 35 years later? I don't know, man. XRP alerts. Like I said, I might be regretting that saying that, right? I might regret saying that, but dude, I mean, no. To answer your question, it's probably going to be higher. It probably will be higher, dude. Austin, is that you're trying to get me a Telegram group and TikTok? That's not me, bro. That's not me, dude. This would have been sick if it happened when we were at the threes. I mean, yeah, it would have been cool if we happened at the threes here, but maybe there was a plan all along. I did want to show you this. There was something that came up here. Where is it at? I looked at all these things today. Where did it go? Right here. It said, now we know who made this insanely well-timed 4 million 50x leverage bet on BTC and ETH. Well played, Donald Trump and Donald Trump Jr. This is exactly how to turn power and influence into money. The Bidens played small ball in comparison to Bravo. So as you guys know, they came out here and put these longs in for 50x leverage longs, dude. And 50x before this announcement, literally like 15 minutes before this announcement happened, they came and dropped a 50x leverage for this amount of money, dude. Like, that's what happens when you have unregulated space. You have an unregulated space. People that know things behind the scenes will continue to make money off things like this. And a 50x leverage, dude, that's insane. Oh my gosh, that's insane, dude. Talk about Talk about just like, it's not what you know, it's who you know. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I'll stand to that, dude. I'm new to crypto. What's the best advice you can give me? Do not buy on green day. Do not FOMO. And do not. That's probably my biggest thing, dude. Just don't FOMO. You know what I mean? Wait for if you miss the run, some people say jump in there. My thing is I like to just wait for there to be a pullback. There'll be a pullback at some point. Is the pullback coming right now? Maybe, but I like to try to get in at the best prices possible. So like this one, people probably bought up here. They got stuck at the $3 range. This thing came back down. Now trying to get back in at the 280 range. So try to wait for the pullback if you can. But not that always doesn't work out. That's just my narrative, right? No one else's. I have a large bag XCN. Nice, dude. I don't think you have a Telegram group right now. I do not have a Telegram group. I have a Telegram, but I don't have a Telegram. Why do people say to exit XRP at 280 if a person is holding long term? When should I exit? I mean, that's up to you. I've been holding since 30 cents. So, $3 is a 10x for me. 380, like I said, it went all the way back down here to $1.95. And yeah, to see that leave your ledger can be tough. But I mean, dude, yeah. Russia's responsible for the God candle watch tomorrow. Could be. Could be. It could be. I think a pump a couple days and massive retrace. It could be. You know what I mean? It'll be interesting to sort of see how this whole week plays out. We do have some inflation data coming out this week. We do have, obviously we have the crypto summit coming up this week. So there could be some positive things out here. But realize that there's always another side to the trading, right? There's still people out here that are trying to short this market because they see money signs with the market. So just realize that when we're waiting to announce BTC and ETH, definitely a drift. I mean, it's pretty crazy to think that someone was able to put that much money into it right 15 minutes before everything racked up. What's up, Seiko? Got Seiko money. Hope EM token. What's up, bud? Clifton. Yeah, he went to soccer. I did, Moto. I did. Austin, just adjust your playbook speed. I know. Sorry. We're all excited. And I'm so far behind on the chat, guys. It's insane. Brandon, thanks so much for the $4.99 super chat. I bought Trump coin at 8 and sold at 78, then dumped all into XRP once it hit 220. You think okay with dude, that's a pretty damn good return, bro. Kudos to you, Brandon, for doing that. When do you see where do you see going in 5 years? I mean, like every other market out there, we're going to be up. Every other market, we're going to probably significantly grow. Trillions and trillions of dollars are going to come into this market. You don't think? I can tell you right now. You think that the United States is the only country out there trying to make a strategic reserve? They were just waiting for waiting for Trump to say something. And do you think that they're just going to let them run away with the tech? They're going to let them run away with the reserves and have own all Bitcoin, own all as much as Ethereum as possible? No, there's going to be other countries out there fighting for it. Russia, like you said, Russia, China. You don't think they're going to enter into this game? They're going to enter into this game quick. You want to think they want to manipulate the pricing. They want to be able to have control of the markets. You got to think this is all about control. This is all about control, guys. If you can control them, if you can control the masses, whether that's through crypto, whether that's through dollar, whatever it might be, you're going to do that. You're going to do that 100%. So you're going to see a fight. You're going to see a fight globally for positioning on Bitcoin, positioning on XRP, all these things, because they want to be able to control it themselves as well. They want to be able to control pricing. You don't think they're out here playing the game? It's a big game, guys. Tons of selling pressure. Yeah, massive pump. Ike Diesel, what's up, man? Thanks so much for the $2 super chat. The world is going to pump while we sleep tonight. I sure hope so, dude. Cameron, what's up, man? The whole market got waken up. Yeah, I mean, that's all you needed. We were waiting for Trump to say that back in January 20th, right? This is exactly what he said in this. Is kind of what we're waiting for. And it literally took 50 days plus for that to be said. So, it is what it is now. Actually, it's 40 days, give or take. How much the Federal Reserve put into XRP? It'd be a good question. You can see right here. I mean, Grayscale is already showing you what they're planning on doing. They're putting 1%, 105% into the digital fund, 3.25%, 5.72%, and then 12, and then 77. So majority is probably going to go to Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin is kind of, like I said, however you feel about it, it's the gold standard of crypto. But I mean, even a 5%, 5% is huge, right, for an XRP, and that will only grow over time. Like these will continue to grow. When do we expect the regulation to be announced? They said they're working on it right now. I don't know what the regulation is going to say, dude. They're probably only going to try to really regulate stable coins. Woke up this morning and I thought I was dreaming. Dude, I'm with you. Bill me, I'm with you. Can you tell Austin's happy? Talking 100 miles per hour, dude. I am 100%. Chadwick, thanks so much for being here for 1 month. So glad I had a soccer day pump. I'm actually really happy too, dude. Toolbox, thanks so much for the $5 or the €5 super chat. Joined early January, got through mad February with thanks to y'all, A-Team, Unique Space, be lucky. Yeah, Toolbox, I'm happy you're here, man. I'm happy you're in crypto, or I'm happy you're in the Discord, and you guys have been holding it down. And thank you so much for all the support. Goth, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate you, man. Long time no see. Hope all is well with you too, by the way. Cardano's news was so good that even Alex Becker said, I saw that today, dude. Alex Becker came in hot today and said, dude, great day for those who got in the past couple of days. So you can see even Peter Schiff out here, right? Peter Schiff even came out here who hates Bitcoin, who dogged Bitcoin. I literally called his ass out the other day for saying, I called him, I said some maybe some not so nice things, but I just hated the rhetoric that he put out there. Where I'd have to see what I said, where I put it. I probably won't be able to find it, but I mean, even he came out with some positive news today, dude. He even came out with some positive statements on it. So I gotta say kudos to Trump for uniting some people out here. Dang, right here, Peter Schiff came out here. Bitcoin is now down 20%, an official bear market. So much for a U.S. strategic reserve. Establishing one now would look like Bitcoin's bailout fund. And then you click on his freaking thing today, and it's like I just started laughing, dude. It's like, if President Trump used Truth Social to manipulate the stocks to help his family and friends make millions, it would be illegal. He's still angry. Oh, dude, this is so great, man. The people out here are so bad. Oh my gosh. And he's been on a tweeting tour right now, dude. I wonder how much money was made for the people who knew that Truth Social post was coming in advance. Tons of people. I just showed you. He's so bitter. But even he came out here and said that Bitcoin's origin is for purpose for existing. So, even a person who hates it came out and actually said some positive things. So we're seeing that across the board, which is hilarious, right? We're seeing that across the board. Yeah, you had Alex Becker come out and say his thing. So that is hilarious. Mike, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. I know not to buy on greens, but do you think XLM still is a good buy today there? I mean, XLM, I've already said that XLM kind of has one thing I liked about XLM is that it never hit a double top, right? So you have XRP, we hit here, and now we hit back up here, right? This came up at the $3 again. So it's actually created a new level. HBAR, same thing, right? HBAR, double top, boom, boom. Now it's working its way back up. XLM never really did that. It kind of hit its top and then just sort of fell off. And so I like that, and that we haven't got back up here. So when it does, I mean, we're sitting here at 34. It peaked at almost 60. So you can literally go up 100% on your investment, even if you invested right now, if this were to reach back at the heights of here. And I think a lot of these cryptos are going to go to their all-time highs. And this isn't even an all-time high. All-time high is 93 cents for XLM. So I think a lot of these cryptos are good. No matter how you look at it. You can't lose right now on some of these. Top tier cryptos you can't lose on right now. HBAR going to the moon kind of feels like that. HBAR has been super, super good. Sorry, I'm skipping some of the chat here trying to catch up to you guys. I'm so far behind. I'm literally still 10 minutes behind. So I'm just going to try to catch up. Nina, thanks so much for being here for 2 months, man. Why do you think Robinhood is so bad? Because they screwed everyone on GameStop, dude. So I kind of just stuck to my values and said I would never use Robinhood again after they did that. They hurt my bag with GameStop. I couldn't sell. They did it with Dogecoin as well. And so I said, if you're gonna hurt the investors like that by shutting things down and manipulating it, then I'm just never gonna use you again. And so yeah, I'm stubborn when it comes to things like that. Like even when restaurants, that's probably one of my biggest things. Even when it comes to restaurants, when it comes to service, when it comes to those kind of things, if you screw me, I'll never go back to you again. I'll never use your service. I will go any which way possible to never use you again. I do that with restaurants. I do that with services. And Robinhood's one of those. I will never use Robinhood again for anything. They do not, because of what they did. So that's kind of why. But that's just me personally, right? I'm probably not the only one that feels that way. I'm not the only one that feels that way. Robinhood screwed a lot of people, man. When utilities take over, it's on. Yeah, utilities huge, guys. Utilities huge. Dave, thanks so much for the $2 super chat. St. Louis Dave is thrilled with your coaching. I appreciate you, man. Thanks so much. It's not all Daves. We're talking about the one specific Dave. That's all. That's the one. That's the one. Austin, March 4th will be a big with the Golden Age speech. Probably Chad. Yeah. Thank you guys so much over here on TikTok for joining and commenting. Sorry, I'm trying to get through it. HBAR could possibly hit to $2, $3. I've said $2 is kind of like my level that I want to get to with HBAR. HBAR at $2 would be phenomenal. Yeah, I thought the pullback was a 270 a couple months ago, and I stacked up. My XRP has been in the red ever since. Today was a great day, dude. That's a great job. See, I'm happy that people that held on are back above water here, and that's what I love, man. I love that some people are back above the water, head above the water, and feeling good. Dave, oh Dave. Yeah, see, that's how far I'm behind, guys. We're talking about Dave. I said Dave a long time ago. Original March, thanks so much for being here for 2 months, dude. Large institutional money has been greenlighted. Absolutely, dude. 100% greenlighted, without question. Oh my God, I just slowed down the speed. You sound trashed. Austin, you see Schwartz repost Charles Hawkinson's post today? Dude, I know. That's what I said. Like, dude, there's a lot of things out there that's just wild to me. Like with everything going on, people just came out of the woodworks today, dude. And this is going to bring new people to crypto, right? The whole thing, the whole goal behind this is to bring new people to crypto. You want people to succeed, right? You want your family members and everyone to come in and invest in good projects. The goal is to invest in good projects, build up as much of the token as you possibly can at a good price, and honestly hold it. I know that some people don't have the capacity to do that. Nor, and when I say capacity, like sometimes they don't have like the funds to be able to do all that. Some people obviously don't have the will strength, and they definitely don't have the patience, because patience is a hard thing in this space. If you could build some patience in this space and just realize that these things are cycles, and just realize that we are in a bull run right now, I feel bad for anyone that sold. I just really do, because I knew I just knew that this was going to happen, man. Like I felt it in my bones. Every day I came on here being bullish, saying this is like, we're in a bull run, dude. The math is the math. Like, stick to the math. Things will be okay. And there's still tons of people that came in here. Look at all the articles. Remember all the articles we went through? Everything. Like, just stick to your convictions with it, man, and don't let anyone else let you fall off the wagon. You know what I mean? So what did I miss, bro? What's up, famous dad? Good to see you, man. Trump bought a bunch of I don't know about that. Digital making. I've seen money. What's up, Digital? I've seen Digital in a minute, dude. Moomster, what's up, man? 2 months in, just posting this to slow down your chat response. I appreciate you, bro. Thanks so much. We got 1,920 people in here watching. Appreciate each and every one of you guys being here and kicking it with me tonight. Like I said, man, what a crazy day. I don't think a lot of us expected this waking up this morning. I sure as hell didn't myself. I literally didn't know what to expect. Once I was driving up north to go to soccer, I couldn't believe. I was like, whoa, dude, holy crap. Like, the market just literally flipped. And it's just an incredible day. I'm literally so excited for everyone. I've told you guys that before. I don't know what else to really say, other than I'm just so thankful that a lot of the 18 people stuck through it. Honestly, I'm just so happy. People bought the dip. We all stuck together. And this was a great place to be, even for myself, right? You guys help me. I help you. Like, it's all just one big happy family, dude. And we're here kicking. We're just here kicking ass right now, dude. Kraken seems all right. Yeah. Cynical Joe, thanks so much for the $10 super chat, dude. Dropped my whole return into XRP during the dip. Couldn't be more ecstatic over this news. Wouldn't have held if it wasn't for you. Oh, Cynical Joe, man. I appreciate you a ton, dude. Thanks so much for the $10 super chat. And I just love hearing stuff like that, dude. Like that I mean, that's crazy that you did that, right? I mean, don't get me wrong. You put your whole return in there. Like, you still have to go and put your money in. But to do that, and now you're up and you held through this, like, that puts a huge smile on my face. Like, I love it, man. Thank you so much, too. Kraken is not bad. Kraken's okay. I just wouldn't hold my money on there. What's up, Kevin? Late as always. Nah, you just got here, man. Ledger Flex. Thoughts? I mean, Ledger's good. I use Ledger. Coinbase annoys me. We're missing like 50% of the top 100 coins. It feels like that, right? Yo, when's the next? Chris, how do you turn on and accepting? I don't know how you turn it on. But yeah, the soccer games, I don't have a soccer game until next weekend. So maybe Friday, dude. Friday we'll have a nice little run. Great. Thanks so much for the $2 super chat. Thoughts on Link? Where do you think it's going to be? Dude, Link, I've always said Link is solid, dude. Link is like at a perfect position. Let's actually go look at Link on the chart right here, because Link is like a perfect opportunity right now, even from the cycle, dude. If you were able to buy down here, even right now, you're almost, if it gets back to the cycle high of 31, you're up 100% on your bag on a blue chip crypto. Can it get back to the 50? Maybe, but there's a little bit more in the circulation now, so it could be a little bit harder to get there. But I mean, we're talking 100% return here on this next leg up, right? 100% return just from where it's at right now is ginormous. So yeah, I mean, Link's a solid project, dude. All these top 20 cryptos are solid. I don't think you can miss. Yeah, HBAR. What's up, Tyler? Yeah, HBAR for the win, dude. Why is it important to have a cold wallet? Well, it's important to have a cold wallet because you want people to put money in. You don't want to have your money on exchanges, dude. That's why. Was there a minimum market cap to join the reserve? I don't think so, Michael. I don't think so, but they're all US based companies. So I think that's kind of the play of it all. Good laugh for good laugh at the 0.25 speed to slow me down. HBAR already did a 7x and will continue. Yeah, HBAR's done a 7x. A lot of these things have done really, really, really well. Asia's awake. Yeah, I'm still under, but sell now, being close and waiting for another drop. Okay. Nina, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. Oh my goodness, I've got 20,000 XRP in there. Do you think it would be wise to sell and move to Coinbase? I mean, in where? In Ledger? You got it in Ledger? I would just, unless you plan on like swing trading it, but yeah. Digital Orgy, dude. Thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team, bro. Appreciate you a ton. It's good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Hope all is well. I know you're killing it right now. So again, appreciate the gifted memberships. If Digital Orgy gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Digi. And those 10 new members, welcome to the A team. You guys are great. What cold wall do you recommend? I'm a big Ledger guy. You know, some people like Tangem. Tangem's a big one too, especially if you have HBAR. It seems to be easier. A lot of people here on the A team attest to using Tangem over Ledger for HBAR, and I will agree with them that it can be a bit of a pain in the butt to put HBAR onto Ledger. So just realize that. Dude, I use the X, but a lot of people like the Flex, bro. So yeah, I use the X. I'm a little old fashioned. Austin, what do you think about the tariffs on Tuesday? It'll be interesting to sort of see what happens here, Francis. I'm gonna be honest with you. The tariffs will be. I don't think it's going to affect. I think we've already baked it in, bro. I've already said that the tariffs got baked in back here. This is the tariff bake in right here. This is manipulation in the market. Tariff bake in, manipulation in the market. This is the Bybit dip. This is everyone getting liquidated. This is all the institutions and exchanges literally rocking everyone and selling. This is liquid. This was manipulation by institutions and centralized exchanges because of the Bybit hack. This right here is the inflation. We baked in that back in February 3rd and 4th. So that's just my personal opinion. I kind of stand with that, dude. No, I love you too, man. Love you too, Digi. Will this change the cycles of crypto? It could. It could. We've been talking about changing the cycles of crypto. This very well could, right? I've called for a super cycle. This could change that. This could change that because now people are going to be investing. You got institutions investing in this. But, you know, there will be dips. There will be dips in the market. How far do they go? I don't know. But things will dip. So, yeah, awesome. 20.45% from yesterday. Yeah, dude, I'm with you, bro. A lot of good momentum. Joey, thanks so much for the $10 super chat. Yo. I woke up at 10 this morning and I thought there was a mistake in the market, and it was before any news was. Oh yeah. Then I saw it and I heard the angels do it. I'm with you. I was like, what is going on right now? Like, why is the like? I literally caught me off guard so much. It was insane. ADA forever. Yeah, ADA's looking good, dude. Like I said, I think ADA doing the Bitcoin layer 2 is really good. ADA isn't US based, it's Switzerland. Is it in Switzerland? I thought Charles Hawkinson was US based. Maybe I'm wrong. Shit, I don't know. How is Bitcoin and ETH an American company? I don't think they're American, but I definitely think they're the largest assets in the world. So yeah, but I think obviously the other one, Solana. I think Solana, XRP, and ADA are, but maybe I'm wrong. Joey, thanks so much for the 5 gifted memberships. If Joey gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Joey. And those 5 new members, welcome, man. Appreciate that. Hey, dude, what's up, Wimpy? How about Ondo? Ondo's good, dude. I think Ondo, let's look at Ondo right now. Ondo's been on a nice little rally right now. Obviously dipping down here, well down into 88 cents. Now it's up about 30 cents. Oh, 29 cents, right, or 29% right now, which is a great return. I do not have a Coinbase card, Jacob. Tangem, yeah. Can you explain the swap function on Ledger? Yeah, I mean, you could just swap tokens, dude. You could buy tokens, swap tokens. That's really what it's for. Now we'll have a sponsor, the kids team, sponsored A team, dream team. Yeah, heck yeah, Moist. Heck yeah. Stay healthy so we can spend our crypto. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. Health is wealth, man. Austin, you need to help making a theme song for your channel. Seiko made me a theme song. I have a theme song for the market, or for the the channel. He made it a while back, dude. There's so much craziness going on here of what this strategic reserve and was put out here. It's crazy going through this. Everything is talked about with the strategic reserve right now. It's like insane. Even Davis Sachs coming out here, right? President Trump has announced the crypto strategic reserve consistent of Bitcoin and other top cryptos. This is consistent with the week 1 executive order. It says President Trump is keeping this promise to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. More to come on the summit. So the summit this Friday is going to be a crazy day, I think. What is ADA's utility plan? I got to take out my sweatshirt. Dude, it's getting so hot in here. I'm so amped up right now. I'm like, dude, my hair's all jacked up. Everything's all messed up. It's so awesome. Always any price predictions for ADA? I got to go back and look. I got to spend tonight looking at looking at prices. Like I said, I came straight from soccer, jumped right on stream just to be here with you guys. And like I said, I kind of didn't really prepare for the where the prices are. Like a lot of these things are out the door, right? A lot of these fibs are out the door. But basically, if you bought any of these, I mean, you're sitting pretty damn good right now. XRP is about to feed a lot of hungry children. Probably. Ladies and gents, have a great night. You too, John. Appreciate you being here, man. Big A, what's up, bud? It seems like there has to be a crucial crypto regulation before any consideration. There could be some crypto regulation. I don't think it's going to be anything too crazy because again, they want to create a free market, but at the same time, it's kind of wild. Don't feel good about sending my coins to other websites to stake them. Yeah, I don't stake it all, Travis. Staking, that's not my thing. I'm lost with the black hoodie. Is that an Austin AI? Dude, I got hot. Dude, where's the XRP shirt? I need to probably get an XRP shirt. I probably need to get one over here, dude. 100% need to get one over here. What is staking? I thought Cardano launched in Japan as a gambling site. Dude, that's a good guy. I don't know. I have to look that up. It's Switzerland. Okay, it is Switzerland. Okay, well, there we have it. There we have it. I'll listen to the A team here. Fan. Let's see. Should I write XRP Nation? Is the post from the president real? Yeah, it's real, dude. I mean, you have David Sachs coming out here, who's the crypto czar, coming out talking about it. So yeah, the post is real. The post is 100% authenticated real. How far can Doge go? Doge will do good. Everything in here will do good. ADA is not US based, cousin. Austin, do the Trump dance? Not yet, dude. Not yet. Soon. Thanks for getting on here, Austin. All your info is much appreciated. I love how you're always positive. You got to stay positive, man. Like I said, there's too much negativity in crypto. You got to stay positive, dude. What do you think of Soloxy and Muntum presale? Dude, the only presale that I'm probably ever going to get involved with is the Pure Wallet presale. That's the only thing I'm buying right now from a presale standpoint, dude. Everything else I wouldn't touch on a presale. That's because I think that the Pure Wallet has real use case, real utility behind it. So that's the only presale I'm involved in at the moment. Everything else I'm probably not going to touch. Austin dropped the awesome Austin coin. No way, dude. No way. We better get a Trump dance if we set a new time high. We could maybe do something like that. When can I stop going to work? Good question. Good question. Austin, yeah, we're arguing about ADA. I know. Oh, dude, that's funny, dude. That's funny. Yo, hydrate, don't overheat, get some water. That's I got hot in here real quick, dude. Just talking and like being excited. Yeah, I know that 100% Elliot. I would agree with you 100% on that, dude. A lot of people don't even have the emotional, they get it. Everyone gets intense. Dude, this is not an easy thing to be in. Link to the pre-sale for Pure Wallet, please. Yeah, dude. It's purewallet.ai is the only pre-sale I'll probably jump into. I wouldn't probably do a whole lot. Obviously this is this pre-sale with purewallet.ai. It's the first blockchain wallet that's coming out here offline. There's a lot of positive things with it, and I like what the token's doing. I like the mining capabilities of it. So there's a lot of positive things coming out. Plus, Pure Chain's going to be dropping, which is the blockchain for it. So yeah, this is the only one I'm really going to put money into. Everything else other than that, I'm not going to touch. I'll be honest with everyone. I wouldn't touch another pre-sale. Do you recommend any of the crypto cards? Nah, dude, no. I don't, dude. I don't really get into any other crypto cards. You think it will go? You think it's going to go up because of Asia? Maybe. Asia. Well, I know like Korea. Korea's on a holiday right now. So tomorrow, I think today is Monday for Korea, and I think they're on a holiday. So XRP being the largest traded over there, it's going to be a big one. But I just pasted the Pure Wallet. If you want to take a look at it, it's up to you guys. It is. I just pasted it into the chat there. So feel free to take a look at it if you'd like. It is ETH based, so make sure you have ETH in your wallet to be able to buy the pre-sale. So if that's something you want to do, you think there'll be a retracement? Yeah, I think there's going to be a retracement for sure. These fair value gaps got too big. The market will always continue to do what the market's going to do. There's nothing you can say about it, dude. The only pre-sale you bought was Pure Wallet. Okay, good. Yeah, same here. That's the only one I'm putting my money in right now. Did I miss a comments about HBAR? I know you love it. Yeah, dude, HBAR has been killing it, dude. 100% killing it. HBAR is going to continue to rally nicely. Like I said, I want to get HBAR back above 30 cents, dude. That would be amazing. Great content as always. See you all members in Discord later. Okay, Ink, I appreciate you, and thanks so much for gifting memberships as well, bro, and all your support. I do appreciate that a ton. But yeah, the market will come back. Well, these fair value gaps are a real thing, and we've all seen these things come back. 255 is obviously a level that I had for a long time here. 255, 245, 225, and $2. So 255 is basically right in the middle of this fair value gap. And so, there is pretty decent level of support here at 245 as well. So this could come back down, fill some of this fair value gap back up, and then bounce back up again. Like that's kind of what you want to. You want this to come back down. We can even look at the RSIs right now. Even the day chart's looking like it's definitely coming up. The one positive thing I've told you guys is look at the weekly chart for crypto right now. The weekly chart, look at the weekly chart for XRP right now, guys. Tell me that's not a bullish looking chart for XRP for weekly. Like I get that you want to look at the days, you want to look at the hours and the minutes. Look at the weekly chart, dude. The further you pull back, it gives you such a better idea of where the market's going. And dude, my nose itches like a mother. But just pull back and look, dude. Just pull back in the weekly and look. It is phenomenal. We'll look at the weekly. The weekly, it doesn't look as like XRP's chart looks phenomenal. Like I've said this a million times. XRP's chart is probably the most bullish chart in crypto. And nothing can compete with the XRP's chart. I honestly don't think that. Ondo is actually a pretty good weekly looking chart, right? If you pull back, you can see we have a nice little upward mobility on the weekly chart here for Ondo. There was Sui's actually another one that actually looks really bullish. When you pull back and zoom out and like look at where the chart is, it looks good. But XRP by far is the most bullish chart in crypto for me. The upward mobility of it, the continual trend on the upward side is way better, right? We didn't create a new low. Now we're working to create new highs. So again, pull down the weekly and take a look at it. 30-second day trader. Yeah. I don't have ETH. Yeah. Lloyd, YouTube blast all over the Pure Wallet. Austin, your YouTube is blasted all over the Pure Wallet site. Hey man, I want to share, again, when I find, like I told you guys, if in this space, if there's actually some utility that like makes sense to me, like I said, I'm not going to go buy meme coins. I'm not going to go buy, garbage. That's just not what interests me. Like we buy things that interest you. Like, and so like Pure Wallet interests me because of the mining capabilities it's going to be able with the wallet. You're going to have, again, the governance side of it. Like I like that kind of stuff, the decentralized side of it. You get a cold storage on your phone, first time ever. There's so many positive things, no trading fees for people that hold the Pure Wallet token, which no other wallet really has. There's just a lot of positive things coming out. It's a new wallet. Yes, there's going to be, it's still being built. There's still going to be things added to it, but it can be downloaded right now. And I kind of dig that kind of stuff. That's the new tech that we're looking for in this space. We're looking for new things that are not created. And so I'll continue to support stuff like that. New stuff comes out that I find that I like and actually is validated true tech. When I say validated, like actually go and see that this is real. It's not just some made up, scam out there, like a lot of these other pre-sales and a lot of these other, use cases. I've actually went out to South Korea and saw the Pure Wallet. I worked on the Pure Wallet. So like, I know it's true. I know it's real. Big difference. XRP is a special coin. Yeah. XRP going to be doing, XRP is going to be good. Can you look at the Bitcoin dominance? Yeah. It was funny. They said that Bitcoin dominance was down to 50%. But when I looked at the pricing here, it looked like it's at 60.7 and it dropped down here to past 50. So, but this happened way back. So I don't know where they were looking in terms of the Bitcoin dominance today, because they must have been, okay. So they looked here. He said it dropped past 55 today, but the furthest it went down here was 60% on my chart. So they said past 50. I don't know how accurate that was, but that's kind of crazy. Someone stole your crypto. Ooh, that's rough, dude. That's I'm sorry, dude. Thanks for coming on tonight. Catch you tomorrow. You too, Richard. You too. How do you get access to the Discord? You gotta be a member. That's it. It's just people that hold so it's gonna be on a tier, dude. So they can make money off of cold storage. They can make money off of there's a tiered system. So if you hold a certain amount, you get, you'll have to pay fees up to a certain amount, just like Coinbase, right? They do the same thing. You could do whatever, right? You know, they make money off of transactions, things like that. But I mean, if you don't hold the token and people use the wallet for swapping features, I mean, you'll get charged. And people that hold a certain amount of the token might not get any fees. So, you know, there's probably going to be, I think they were talking about a tiered system. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, it's all working out. But I mean, yeah, they're going to find ways to definitely make money, dude. I mean, that's the whole point of a wallet, is to make money off fees and transactions. But the more that you, and again, you got to think, when you go and you open up on like a DEX side, like on Uniswap, there's fees on Uniswap. So do you think the upcoming trend is downward to the upcoming trend? Well, I mean, like it's definitely going to. I mean, we're going to have some pull. We're already starting to pull back right here with XRP on the hour chart, right? We're going to come fill up some of these fair value gaps here. These fair value gaps will get filled up pretty quick. We can already see the 4-hour fair value gap got filled up right here at 76, right? Dropped down to 76. So this 4-hour fair value gap got picked up pretty good. Tangent wallet or Ledger. I mean, I like Ledger, but some people like Tangent because of HBAR. Austin, will you stream the event on the 7th? I'm definitely going to try it for sure. Yeah, I think it'd be awesome. I wish I could fly out and be included in the event itself, right? Go live from the White House at the first ever crypto summit. Let's make it happen, guys. Austin, to help many insurers, say someone owns a total of 1,000 XRP, let's say 225. How many of these would you sell at peak of run, and how many would you slide over to a cold storage for the long term? Well, I've always said that the bear market will go to the previous all-time low or all-time high, right? So it's hard to say where XRP is going to go. You know, at 1,000, I would probably sell it all, right? I'd probably sell it all at 1,000. If you had 1,000 XRP, that puts you at what, roughly $2,500. I'd probably sell it all. You know, and then wait for it to come back down and take that 2,500 that you just made and buying at a bigger amount down lower. That's just me personally. When is the Pure Wallet going to be able to be used and buy stuff on it? I'm hoping here soon. You can already swap things. You can already buy things on it. But yeah, the Wallet Connect, I'm hoping comes out this week, and then you can actually use it for like Uniswap and Pancake Swap and stuff like that. So, is it someone going to be live stream? I hope so, dude. Why not? I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. But yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to hold Pure Wallet tokens to be able to mine on there and stuff like that. So like, you know, I think that's super important. You're gonna have to stake tokens to mine, and if you're into that kind of stuff, like I am, like I'll stake tokens to be able to mine. I'll do things like that. You know, there's a lot of positive things that come from the decentralized side of that. Like I like mining stuff, and the Pure Wallet allows you to do that for the Pure chain. And so yeah, of course I'm gonna do things like that. Paul, are using Coinbase 30 a month for 11 trade fees. Well, worth it. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, hot wallets are good. I mean, you know, I'd still store a majority of my crypto on a ledger for sure. I'd definitely store my crypto on a ledger. In your opinion, which other cryptos will be the strategic reserve pool? I think HBAR. I think HBAR is going to be in there. I think XLM is going to be in there. Ondo is going to be in there. There's going to be a lot of these things coming in, dude. Sui could be in there. I don't know. You know, it's tough to say, but I mean, yeah, I think a lot of these top tier Chainlink's probably going to be in there for sure. Didn't buy XRP, guys. It's okay. You know, a messenger better than an exchange. SafePal and MetaMask are what Austin likes. Yes, that's correct. What fan said. What buy zone prices? I'm going to have to do my math today, Pat. Trick. How many XRP would you hold? I mean, I think that they came out. I think people did the math again. You know, I think I always say that any is better than none, but I think that they came out and said like 10,000 XRP. I think it was like the number, but that's a lot. You know, that's a lot for most people, right? 10,000. That means $20,000. Love the channel, but sick of the Pure Wallet infomercials. Well, people ask about it. I haven't talked about it until someone asked about it. SCS. People haven't asked about it, so I brought it up when they ask about it. I usually don't talk about things until someone brings it up. XRP's fake. And plus, a lot of people want to know what I'm investing in, right? A lot of people come on here and say, "Hey, what are you buying?" You know what I mean? What are you buying? And you know, I mean, I guess it would come through. I guess it would be crazy if I didn't say that I was buying. You know, I was jumping into a pre-sale. I mean, I'm being honest with people. I'm telling them about a tech that I like. Whether they do it or not, it's up to them. I really like at this moment. I really like Ledger, Luke, for cold storage. Ledger's been my cold storage for a while. 20K, but was just 30K a bit ago. Nice, dude. Yeah, it's come down a lot. If you bought XRP and Bitcoin in 2019, what'd that say? If you bought in 2019, you made more money with XRP. Yeah, you have. No, I get it. I didn't think you were SCS. I get where you're coming from, and I honestly only just bring it up when people talk about it. I do it, right? DJ, thanks so much for the $5 super chat. And Austin, could you tell us a little bit more about the Pure Wallet? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely, I can tell you everything you need to know about Pure Wallet, dude. But no, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate the joke right there. Thank you so much, dude. That's great, DJ. Hey, you know what I mean? Like, I like it. You know, I said not just because I bring it up doesn't mean that people have to jump into a pre-sale or buy the token, right? That's really up to you guys. But I mean, like, it's something I dig. I like it. You know, I invested some pretty good money into the pre-sale. Like, I like where it's going. It's just me personally. You know what I mean? It's something new. It's something different in this space. No one else has it. It's patented technology, and that's kind of dope. That's dope, dude. I like it. I jumped in the Pure Wallet pre-sale because of your awesome info you shared about it. Definitely looking to make some money on it. Yeah, me too, dude. I think me too. And I'd be lying to you guys if I didn't say that I was trying to make money off the Pure Wallet pre-sales myself, right? Buying into a pre-sale. That's the whole goal. What's your view on using Uphold Vault to store your XRP? I probably wouldn't do that, dude. Love the stream, man. No, I appreciate you. That was great. That was great, dude. I have a Nano S in Descent. Oh, nice, dude. If one goes bad, I can use the other. Yeah, you can always upload. You can always upload a seed phrase into the other ones. You think the stock market might go down because people will be buying crypto? It's tough to say. It's tough to say if they'll do that. I think I might have put it in the chat. I'll put it in. It's purewallet.ai is the website for the Pure Wallet. If it's something you guys obviously want to look into, it's purewallet.ai is the site for it, Matty B. If you want to take a look at it, I think I might have pinned it. Maybe I didn't pin it. Here, I'll pin it up to the top. What do you think about Solana? I think again, Solana's just got a really bad rap right now. A really, really bad rap right now for all the stuff that they with the meme coins and stuff like that. So, I own a little bit, but yeah. But app didn't work. Was about 2 weeks ago. I want to believe. Yeah, you don't need to actually have the app working. So some of these things weren't uploading into like Google was down because of the trademark on the Pure Wallet Plus. I think you can download it now. Second mouse. But you don't need to get into the pre-sale. You don't need to actually download the Pure Wallet. You could use like MetaMask or SafePal to enter into there. That's what I would use. That's what I've used. I use MetaMask to and SafePal to buy the pre-sale. You just need ETH and then be able to log into the website and do it that way. So yeah, it's super easy to do that. Which ledger? X. So you don't actually need the Pure Wallet to do it. I tried to buy more Pure Wallet earlier, and I kept getting an error message. Were you maxing out the ETH? Sometimes if you max the ETH out, you have to have gas fees, and so sometimes it can get caught up and doesn't go through. But that's kind of crazy to try to buy it, and you get an error message. It should go through. It just don't hit the max. If you hit max, you'll get errors because you got to have enough money for gas fees. What about Snake? I mean, Snake's probably going to tear it up now with Cardano, right? 100% probably going to tear it up with Cardano. All right, Toolbox. I'll see you later, man. Bedtime for you too. Yeah, dude. I'm pretty exhausted as myself. It's been a busy day, dude. I just got at 250 of ETH and can't figure out how to buy it from a website. I just got 250 ETH of ETH and can't figure out how to buy it from a website. All you got to do is just log into the website right here. So go up and download a MetaMask wallet, whatever you got to do. Just connect your wallet. So go to MetaMask right here. It's obviously going to ask you to connect right here. And then all you got to do is just put in your ETH. Don't hit max. If you hit max, you're not going to have enough money for gas. So there's that right there. And plus, like right now, the cool thing is with the leaderboard right here is that the top three right here, there's 2 days left. There's 2 days left, and the top three right here get a share of the 50,000 Pure Wallet tokens. So you can see right now these top three have purchased the most. So the top three actually get an additional 5,000 PWT tokens. So yeah, pretty cool to if you enter into there. But right now, I think 68,000. I don't know what that actually equates to. That's a pretty good amount. Could be like an ETH, maybe 1 ETH, maybe something like that. I think that person bought. But yeah, pretty good buys coming in. Obviously, you can see right here. So kind of cool. What'd you say about Eric's tweet? Something said about Eric. Eric Trump tweeted. Eric Trump tweeted. Oh yeah, I love the genius of announcing a strategic reserve on a Sunday when traditional markets are closed and Wall Street sleeps for the first time. Retail investors win. Traditional finance better catch up, or it will quickly become extinct. The world no longer runs on a Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. He's referring to. They've talked about the exchange. They've talked about the stock market going 24/7. So it would be crazy if they actually get the stock market to go and become 24/7. That would be nuts. And this is what he's trying to say here, is that Wall Street is still stuck on the 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, and they're going to lose out, and they will. That person asked how much money is going to leave, how much money is actually going to leave the stock market and come to crypto. Probably a substantial amount. It'll be interesting to sort of see what happens. But yeah, very, very a lot could actually happen. I've always said $2 Texas made on HBAR. I just did a transfer to Coinable to my wallet, and it still hasn't come. Been 45 seconds. Should be worried. I don't use Coinable, dude. What is Coinable? Is that you got make sure that wallet is also, if you're gonna do the pure wallet, make sure that you look up and make sure that you use a wallet that it can actually is compatible. Like go to all wallets right here and look, is Coinable a wallet? Coinable, or did you transfer? I transferred. Let's see. I just did a transfer of Coinable to my. Oh, you did from Coinable to your wallet. Yeah, it takes usually a second or two to do that. If you buy pure wallet token from 2 different wallets, will it show combined on leaderboard? No, it won't, Papa Don. It won't. It comes from one wallet, dude. One wallet. Just a chill guy who likes to talk about pure wallet. Hey, I like the tech, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You know what I mean? And everyone thinks that, like, everyone's saying like you're getting paid to talk about this. I have not been paid a single dime yet to talk about this. I worked with the company. I went out there, and when I say worked, like I actually on my own dime went out to Korea and spent 45 days out there with them to work on the interface of this. Like, this is just cool technology. I met the team. I know Dr. Kim, the NS Labs. Like, this was all because of the tech behind it, and I'm excited for the tech. You know. Yeah, maybe it's somewhere down the road. You know, if I could become, a part of the team? Yeah, I would probably, if everything goes well and everything works out, and they offer me to be part of the team, would I take it? Probably, yeah. But that time hasn't come yet. We'll see what happens. You know, I haven't signed anything. I haven't there's nothing out there. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just here liking what it is and hoping that it does well because I worked on it, right? I mean, why would I not want something that I literally helped work on do well in this space? It's plus, like I said, it's new technology. I dig the hell out of it. So I'm going to share with you guys. It's the only thing that I'm in outside of all the top tier stuff. This is the new upcoming one that I'm in, and I'll continue to share. St. Louis Dave, if you had some Dogecoin and made money, would you sell and buy the blue chips? I probably would. I would probably keep. I mean, I like Dogecoin, dude. I like Dogecoin. What do you recommend? I use Coinbase. Is that good? Yeah, Coinbase is good. Let's see. Is Pure Wallet no? It's on your phone. It's a you can download it on your phone. It's an app on your phone. It's the first cold storage that you can ever have on your phone. So you don't need to have a separate device like your Ledger. You can actually have it's a cold storage on your phone. It's the first offline token ever created. So you can actually send it in offline status with no gas fees, super fast, and on top of that, you have a cold storage on your phone versus having to have a Ledger or a Tangent or something else. So that's what separates them from a lot of other things here. So thank you. New to crypto, watch several other streamers. You really seem to keep it real. All right, no problem, Texas mate. I tried to keep it 100% with everyone here. Nothing to hide. Just got in here. What are your thoughts? What are you talking about, Luke? I don't know what we're talking about. What are my thoughts on where the crypto's at? I mean, XRP is trying to make a little bit of run back right now. That's good. Should I be moving all my tokens to my Pure Wallet? I think they're still in development phase. Like, like I have ETH over there. I have Ripple over there, or sorry, XRP over there. Find the token, make sure your tokens match. I mean, they don't hold every single token out there. So go to the website, You can see all the tokens that they support right now and the tokens that they can support offline. The only token that they can, or the only coin that they can support offline right now is Ethereum. Hopefully this week will be the first time Bitcoin will be in an offline setting. And like I said, Bitcoin, it'll be the first time ever that you'll be able to send Bitcoin in an offline setting with zero gas fees across multiple wallets. You can send to 1,000 wallets and never pay a single gas fee for it, and it's super fast. So hopefully this week that actually comes out. That'll be the first time ever. When Pure Wallet supports HBAR, it'll be my main wallet. Yeah, and they're working on it right now, dude. HBAR is definitely on the table for sure. I'm with you too. I'm excited about that kind of stuff too. Austin, now that I'm profiting Cardano, I'm thinking of selling my positions to use the funds XRP. Yeah, a lot of people are doing that kind of stuff. Have you used Shaman Wallet before? I have not. I have not used it before. XRP already able to be offline. XRP is actually, it's not offline yet. So so you can actually use Ripple over there, but it's not offline yet. And the reason why it's not offline, I tell you the truth, I don't know exactly why it's not offline yet. So one thing that they were working on that I think is cool is when you send it over, it's basically what they're trying to do is allow you to separate it. So, but I think XRP should be coming offline here pretty quickly as well. Coinbase is good, but I tried to cash out my 250K today limit, and they told me 7 days. Oh my god, bro, that makes me sick to my stomach, dude. That's what sucks about that, dude. The offloading is just caught. The Crypto Class channel, I never CCS. I've never watched him. I don't know anything about him. So outside perspective, when I ran into Pure Wallet, it seemed like a no-brainer. It's all around ideal in theory. Yeah, and it's a new wallet. It's gonna have some ups and downs. It's gonna go through some growing pains. I mean, it's still growing. It's a new product that's out there, but I mean the functionality of it is nice. The functionality of it's going to continue to grow and get better. But like I said, this is what happens when you have new tech to the space. It's something that people haven't seen before, and people are going to criticize it. People are going to jump all over. But the good part is that it's real. It's there, and I kind of dig it. So, does Japan start using XRP tomorrow? Good question. I don't know. How will the XRP things be, or how will the National Crypto Reserve be managed? That's a good question. That's a question for David Sachs. Do you think the market will crash? Does Pure Wallet support XRP? It does. It does support XRP. Yeah, you can't use it in an offline setting yet. Hopefully it does. Pure Wallet, EFF, all that. What's up, Simon? Good to see you, man. Coinbase is how I feel after losing a grand at the casino. Some exact feeling. Never use Coinbase. They scammed you. Did they really, dude? And another problem, you can't send XRP from Pure Wallet to Ledger. Once you put right password, next button deactivates, but its password is wrong. So if you have any issues with Pure Wallet, dude, just go right up here to the little bug and put your request in there. Like I said, I mean, they'll be able to. They're there like 24/7 working on this stuff, dude. So any issues, just go type it into them. They'll take care of you, man. Whatever issues you have, and you get paid. That's a cool part too. Is that if you find a bug or you find an issue with the wallet, with the Pure Wallet, just go up here and you can actually get rewarded. So earn rewards by bringing up bugs. You know what I mean? So they'll actually pay you to report bugs. So I advise anyone, if you run into any issue out there, or find anything, I think any vulnerability, come out here, report it, and get some money, get some free rewards. I think the Pure Wallet side is under attack. I can't access it. Really? Interesting. They're going to get Sleepy Joe looking after it. Ada, yeah, Ada's nice, man. Ada's good, dude. I think Ada's good. I've told everyone Ada's good. Slow mover, but I mean it's good. That's interesting, Papa Don. You have to probably on your iPhone, you have to download the new app. There's the new app out there. It's the Pure Wallet Plus on Google. And then upload your seed phrase into that new one, and you'll be able to see your thing. Yeah, so you download the new one on your thing. So you have to delete the old one off your phone, download the new Pure Wallet Plus like from the App Store, and then upload your seed phrase into that one, and you'll be good to go. Correction, it's not Coinbase with delay. It's the CIBC. Oh, in Canada. Oh, gotcha. That's crazy. They're like, damn, dude, who's sending over all this money? You have to use hashback. Yeah, hashback's what you're gonna have to use. Why all-time highs now? Well, we haven't hit all-time highs yet, but I mean, I think people are starting to prep themselves. Like I said, what Eric Trump just wrote right here is a perfect example. For the first time, retail investors win. If you held on to your crypto, dude, yeah, for sure. Can you talk about the whale alert on X talking about 100 millions of XRP being unlocked from wallets? Oh, he talked about escrow. So basically, XRP released tokens. They released tokens at the beginning of every month. They released a billion tokens or billion coins, and what they do is they actually lock up about 800 billion or 800 million of them, and sometimes they use about 200 million to do whatever. Is the Pure app wallet free? Yes, Kathy, it is free. You can download it. Just go to the website. You can download it. Click on the iOS or the whatever, which one. I believe they will have one, but no link in it yet. Oh, what are you talking about? I might have missed one. Yeah, Tangent. People like Tangent Card, dude. Ivan, thanks so much for becoming a member again. I think you already were a member. So yeah, appreciate you becoming a member again. Thank you so much, dude. 1 billion release and staying this high is nice. Yeah. Like I said, yesterday it got released, and I don't think that they're pretty responsible with it, which is crazy. I mean, they actually show a lot of they're super responsible. Oh yeah, so then it's just the then you had to update the if you're on I didn't know you were on iPhone. Sorry, my bad, dude. Yeah, there's no that's on Google. So yeah, on your so just update. Maybe you got to update. You got to update the your wallet then your Pure wallet. If you update it on your phone, you should be able to see everything if you have all the updates. It doesn't automatically update. Sometimes you have to change that setting. Thank you, Austin. I also live in Washington State, east of Seattle. Nice, dude. I love that, Kathy. Yeah, good old another Washingtonian. We got a lot of Washingtonians in here. Victor Vargas, thanks so much for the $5.99 super chat. Where Lambo? Good question, man. Good question. When Lambo, it's so funny, man. I don't know if I'd actually buy a Lambo. If I got like super duper rich, I don't know if I'd actually buy a Lambo. I don't know what I'd buy. I have to think that one out. Austin, there'd be another opportunity to buy ADA under $1 again. I don't know, man. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. What's a good starting amount of tokens for the Pure Wallet project? It's tough to say, Big B, because it's up to you on like how much you how much you want to be involved in making decisions for the wallet. Like I said, there's a whole governance side to this. So the more tokens that you own, the more voice you'll have when it comes to making key decisions. Because again, you'll vote on this, right? There'll be proposals, and you'll vote as a token holder, which is what's cool about the governance side of it. So if you want a bigger voice, you have more tokens. If you don't want to have that big of a voice, but you want to, it's all based off of how much you have tokens. So yeah, the people that hold more tokens will have a bigger voice. People that have more tokens will be able to, have less fees in the wallet. People that hold more tokens will have, be able to stake for the mining and have more better mining capabilities than the people that don't, right? So it's all based off that, and that's no different than any like Ethereum and all these other networks too. I mean, that's kind of always how it is in this space. So it's tough to say. Owning crypto is like owning the winning lottery ticket. You just don't know when your numbers will be drawn. That's true. Today it was drawn, dude. Today it was drawn. I sent my crypto to Elon a month ago. When is it going to double back? Those scam things. I bought a ton, but was curious what your thoughts were. Yeah, that's kind of. I mean, that's why I bought. Like I said, I bought $6,000 worth of Pure Wallet token, and I'll probably buy some more before the sale's over. Like I said, I just got 4,900 Pure Wallet. Just got 4,900 Pure Wallet. Yes, dude, you're that's good, dude. Yeah, and so as I said, to each our own on where we're at with it, but it's all a matter of like how you view it. Like I said, if you want to be a part of a community that's about governance and about doing that kind of stuff, you're gonna that's what you're gonna do. Some people are buying it to just wait for it to pump and sell it. Some people are buying, who knows what people. Everyone has their own agenda why they're buying the pre-sale. I'm buying. I want to buy it at a good price so that I can actually use that tokens to my advantage when using the wallet, and use it to my advantage when being a part of the like I said, the governance side of it, and part of the mining side of it. So that's why I'm buying it for the utility. I'm not buying it for just the pumping, the price and selling. But some people are, right? Some people are getting into pre-sales. They want to see it, go to a 5-10x and sell. And that, hey, to each your own. You know what I mean? I bought $1,000 worth of the fake Elon coin. Oh my gosh, dude, that's crazy. I already own XRP, ADA, and XLM. Would you buy more of these now or put it into a higher potential? I'd go probably. I mean, it's tough because like they're all doing really well. I mean, like there's other ones out there. I mean, Chainlink's looking really nice right now. Even Ondo's looking really nice right now. Sui, I think Sui is going to be like the next. I mean, Sui has such good prices right now. It's a crazy. I mean, I got it at 150, but I mean, it's still like really lucrative because I think Sui is actually going to compete. I think it might really compete with Solana right now. James, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're official now, a member of the A team, first time. So appreciate you a ton. Thanks so much for joining. Thank you very, very much. I'm a 6'2" coupe Lamborghini are not comfortable, but overpriced. Victor, 6'2" in a Lambo would be tough. I would agree with you on that. ASMR fan, thank you. I've been researching and found Ledger was hacked once before. Yeah, people argue against that. Some people think it was hacked and stuff like that. So yeah, it's all a matter of. I can't sell my bag. Yeah, is the minimum pure wallet price to buy? I'm testing a $1 on a safe wallet, but I get a spinning circle when I approve the purchase. Yeah, I think because $1, I think it has to be like, I think the minimum might be like $10 if I had to guess. I don't know if they put a minimum on there when you buy it. There could be a minimum. I just wouldn't. I mean, like I don't know what is gas fee for $1. I wonder what the gas fee is for $1. But I think there could be a small. I think it's like 10 or $20. Is Pure Wallet on Google Play now? Yeah, it is. It is, Mr. Rollins. You can go to the website here. Go to Pure Wallet, and you can just go. I just go to the website and actually look at here. You can get it on Google Play. So, what's up, Austin? Can you talk about taking profits long term back? Yeah, I think my profit taking strategy. I mean, it's what's really hard right now is people ask like, what are you going to do for your profit taking? Well, I mean, if it hits certain numbers here, like it changes my whole perspective on like how many I'm going to sell or like where I'm going to position myself, because again, it changes how much money you need, how much money you're going to buy. A lot of the like XRP I bought at 30 cents. Majority of my bag is like 30 cents, 32 cents. Almost all of it. And so like I don't think that XRP is ever going to get to 30 cents again. So if I sell at 30 cents, I mean, obviously I'm going to sell some of mine at the top, what I think is going to be the peak of the bull, to basically be able to make up my, where I think comfortably, could be happy, right? And I don't know where that number is going to be. It's tough to say. If it gets to $7, dude, I mean, that's just ridiculous, right? I mean, $3 is a 10x for me. $7 is, we're sitting at roughly another, I don't even know what it is. I'd have to look. But it's just like when you start to really look at it, it's hard to say until we get there, until we get closer. But yeah, I'd probably sell, probably 50-60% of my bag at the peak of this for XRP, probably for all my crypto, 50-60% of it, and be very, very happy, and keep the rest for, hold it through the next bear, for the next run. That's probably what I'll do, to be honest with you. That's probably what I'll do. I am lying. Where are you at? If I'm lying, I'm dying on podcast. Where do you live? I know that in Europe. I think Europe. They're still trying to get through the hoops with Europe. You aren't just answering questions so vaguely. I try to answer as many questions as possible, dude. Honestly, not much. You good? I'm good, man. I'm happy to see you, dude. I'm 6'2". Won't find me in a Lambo. Yeah, dude. Lambo would be rough, bro. Dude, Lambo would kill me. Dude. I'm not 6'2", but I mean, like, I still feel like a Lambo would be like a pain in the ass to get in and out of. You think will rise going into tomorrow? I think, like I said, there's fair value gaps that are probably going to get filled. Like these fair value gaps are already getting filled right here on the 4-hour for XRP, and we have a new 4-hour coming up here in about 1 hour. Dumb question. I wouldn't mind the cyber cab, just a nap play. Yeah, right. I'm with you, dude. How do I get my crypto off Robinhood? I hear awful things. Yeah, I think that's not a dumb question. Just open up open up a hot wallet, like a MetaMask or a SafePal wallet, right? Just go to SafePal right here. Just go boom, SafePal wallet, SafePal. open up this wallet, download it, open it up, get your seed phrase, and then you'll just go to your you go to Robinhood and just transfer it to your, like, if it's Ethereum, just transfer it over there. Have I seen you on YouTube? Yeah, you have, probably, Blackbird. Yeah, you probably have, for sure. I'm not selling until 589. Hell yeah, dude. Northern California. It should be working, dude. If I'm not, yeah, it should be working over there. Are you on Google or iOS? I demand you tell the future. I try. I try to tell the future as much as I possibly can. We'll start selling at $30 so I can enjoy my summers, dude. Trent, I'm with you. You're gonna sell it. You're gonna sell it. You're not gonna save for 589. Oh my gosh, Trent. You out of all people. You out of all people, Trent. What's going on, man? I gave you a follow. I appreciate that, man. Thanks so much, dude. Blackbird. I'm 6'2". McLaren is a good fit. Oh, really? 6'2" McLaren. Okay, McLaren's nice, dude, for sure. I'm stuck on the Pure Wallet. I get there, set up the account, and can't figure out how to do the safe coin to my wallet from Robinhood. The safe coin. When you say safe coin, what do you mean safe coin? Millicent. Get some of the cryptos. You got to make sure that the cryptos that you're sending over are part of the Pure Wallet. There's a dirty wall at the $3 mark. Yeah, I saw that, dude. I saw the wall, bro. The $3 mark is insane. Thanks for the great info tonight, Austin. Have a great night. Yeah, I appreciate you too. It was me stuck on the word phrase. I push complete and it does not go to the next page. Interesting. iOS. Yeah, I would go to their website and go earn some rewards by putting in for their bug. That's weird. If that's really that's weird, dude. Yeah. I'll check real quick on mine. I think mine's up and working. Well, I mean, I guess you're trying to set up the wallet, so that could be a little bit different. But yeah, go get some rewards, man. I found a way to increase computing power using mathematics to simulate more data. Did you really? That's pretty impressive, Austin. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, this is already starting to fill that fair value gap on the 4 hour. So 4 hours looking pretty good. What is anticipated acceptable swing trade profit for XRP? I mean, shoot, I'm like, when I usually jump into a swing trade, I put 10K in. So, anywhere from a 10 to 20, a 10, like anywhere from like a 6% would be great. Do I have to purchase wallets from Pure Wallet to SafeCoin? So I think you don't have to purchase. So what your best thing, Millicent, is to, like, for me personally right now, because you can't buy the Pure Wallet token with the Pure Wallet. You can't use the Pure Wallet to buy the Pure Wallet token yet until they get approved with the Wallet Connect. So Wallet Connect hopefully gets approved this week. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Once that happens, you'll be able to buy in the Pure Wallet itself. But right now, you'd have to send from Robinhood to like a MetaMask or a SafePal wallet until that Wallet Connect happens, and then you can make that purchase happen. So that's the best thing to do. Now, memes are going to wake up again. They probably will. I'll give you that, Schmuckle. 100% probably will. Meme coins are like I said. I mean, as much as you want to dog on meme coins, I dog on them all the time. But they're here to stay, and people will continue to probably buy them, and they'll continue to run the blockchains, dude. Like 100%. I haven't. Is it Pure Wallet 2 on iOS? Yes, it is Silent Night. And again, you don't use the Pure Wallet to buy the token. If you're going to buy the Pure resale, use it on SafePal or MetaMask because they don't have a Wallet Connect yet. So they have the Wallet Connect, but it's not easy to get on there. You have to use the QR code. So I stick to using SafePal and the other one. So my phone alerts were going off in church this morning. I had to walk out. That's actually pretty awesome, dude. Only use XRPL meme coin projects. I have faith in the ones. Yeah, that's one thing about Pure Wallet. The team's working on a DApp for the XRPL, so you could buy the XRP meme coins on there. So they're working on that, which is, I mean, I guess if you're in that kind of stuff, that should do well. So kind of cool to sort of see a DApp come out for XRPL to be able to buy that on Pure Wallet, which would be badass. So never sell HBAR, dude. HBAR is legit right now, dude. You can't compete with HBAR, dude. HBAR is looking good. Yeah, that's good, Schmuckle. You should do that. That's a good thing you should do. About 4K of XCN down 1,500. Thinking about buying Chainlink with 20. Chainlink's looking really damn good right now. Like I said, Chainlink is kind of like a hidden gem right now. Sui's a hidden one. Ondo, in terms of top cryptos. Yeah, SHIB. I think where'd SHIB go? Did SHIB fall out of the top 20? Dude, it's at 18. SHIB came off SHIB fell down pretty hot. I mean, HBAR still holding strong at number 11 here. It's got to basically double to be able to take out the top 10. So that very well could happen. Almost put 5K and dude, no, I'm with you, dude. It's kind of the worst feeling. Oh, thanks so much for sending me the roses there, Blackbird. Thank you so much. And I probably missed some donations over here, and I'm so sorry, dude. I'm in low cap projects, but I got some good positions. But let's just say this is a puppy plays out. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. There's a lot of those. Do you have a slow mode? So slow? No, I do not have slow mo on. Surprise Asia. What's your next buy point for XRP? I haven't actually spent my time looking at it yet, dude. So I gotta actually look. Ivan, thanks so much for gifting 10 memberships to the A team. If Ivan gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Ivan. And those 10 new members, welcome, 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 my friend. Do you think this is going to retrace? It usually does. It usually does. I mean, like I said, there's some fair value gaps out here that I think are super important to watch. Like we have one right here at it already sort of filled this fair value gap at the 276. We got another fair value gap sort of starting right at the 260 marker. It could come down to anywhere in the 255 to 245. I mean, it's a pretty big fair value gap, especially if you look at the day chart right here. The day chart is crazy on the fair value gap, right? Just when that means that basically there was a gap left in the market. Like we went on such a massive rally that we left a gap in the market. And every time, well, not every time, mostly every time, we come back and fill that gap at least halfway. And right now, 255 is kind of like where that could retrace back to at 255. Right now, they're showing massive support at 240. Doesn't always mean that it's going to retrace fully back. It actually hit on the top of that fair value gap right at 275 and bounce back up to 281. So you can see here on the charting, I know you guys can't see it, but yeah, that's kind of where it is. When I have enough, I want to join the A team. All right, bro. Thank you for your authenticity. No problem, Brian. I want to be part of the A team, just helping my mom. She's sick. Man, I feel you, bro. It's all good. XLM's good, man. I think XLM's solid. Thank you so much for your response. No problem, Vinvidi. Bro, so far I'm loving the Pure Wallet. Set my daughter more XRP using the offline setting. Dude, that's bad. Did you really, bro? That's awesome, dude. See, the offline setting. Yeah, that's cool. Isn't the whole point of the reserves to eventually sell? Yeah. Will the Pure Wallet have the liquidity to hold all your different cryptos to sell and not have to migrate over to Coinbase and Robinhood like software that has larger? I don't know if they're gonna, because again, it's basically just an interface for the blockchain. So it's not like it's gonna have liquidity on there, because the Pure Wallet it's just an interface for all the blockchains. That's really what it is. So you can buy and sell on different blockchains, and so I don't know if it's necessary. It's not gonna be like a Coinbase and have liquidity, because it's not an exchange. It's just an interface for the blockchains that allow you to do other things. So I think I have an idea for a revolutionary computer that would. Dude, that seems intense, Austin. My plan on Thursday was to make some buys for XRP and HBAR on Sunday night. Tonight, I know the dip was nice, but my thinking was it basically always drops more Saturdays. It could very well could, Cameron, right? Very, very well could, dude. Oh yeah, James. Yeah, I'm with you too, man. Oh, dude, that's awesome. That's awesome, Aaron. Welcome, bud. Dean, thanks so much for the the 499 super sticker, and David, thank you so much for the $1 super chat. You guys are awesome, man. Howdy, I just subbed. Spanky, appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for the sub. What does the Pure Wallet pre-sale keep resetting? It just keeps going up in price, so they're going to keep going. That's kind of how the pre-sale works, is that they give people an opportunity to buy at these levels, and then every time it resets and resets and resets. And like I said, I hope the goal is to like get up to like 8 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents. I bought it at 4 cents, so it's like if it gets up to like that level, it's gonna be actually good for. I mean, every time this goes up, that just means that the people that got in at a lower price are in a better scenario. So, and it's gonna just reset. You'll be able to buy it at a lower price, and it's gonna reset, and you'll be able to buy it at the next price, and it just keeps climbing and climbing and climbing. And eventually, then it will launch at a certain price. So, yeah, XRP. Wow, yeah, I know. When is your next live? Tomorrow morning, John. I come on every day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And usually I do come on, I try to come on at nighttime, just depending on the day. So if I have soccer, I won't be on at nighttime, but I usually am on every day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time if I don't have soccer for my daughters. I found a new way to quantum computing. Quantum computing is pretty crazy. Yeah, get listening to my guy on my drive home, Mardi Gras all weekend, very little crypto, and Trump drops his bombshell. Ken Love. I love it, dude. I love it. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Blessed, love Selmo. Selmo fun. Selmo fun. What's up, Selmo? Got Selmo in the house here. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, it gets higher and higher. I found, yeah, that's a good way to find quantum computing. Seems a little intense. Haven't heard about XAXL in a while. Thoughts? I have no idea what that is, John. Trying to pocket change to generational wealth. Yes, I stream daily from 10 a.m. Yep, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So anyone, I come on here and talk whatever. I try to answer as many questions as possible. Like I said, I don't get to everyone's questions, but I do try to answer as many as I possibly can. How long till the U.S. starts buying, you think? They'll probably never tell us, but I mean, we'll probably start to. They probably already started, dude. They probably already started. I mean, we had just in the last 4 hours, I don't know, and this probably has changed. Where's it at? Let me go back. Dang, I don't know where that message was. But I think we had what almost what $600 billion, $400 billion come into the market in the last 4 hours. So I mean, that's pretty damn wild, dude. You think March 7th crypto summit at the White House will pump? I don't know if it's going to pump, but I mean, it's definitely probably going to be bullish. So if it happens to drop to 245-ish, that will be considered a pretty normal. Yeah, that probably would. I mean, we usually go halfway through a fair value gap. Doesn't mean that we always go through a fair value gap, but it just means that you have a better chance of successfully trading that. So, usually, yeah, this 255, it could come down, right? Over the next couple of days, we could probably come down, boom, boom, boom. And then, get hit off this 255 and bounce back, right? Which would be roughly, I mean, it would be about an 8% dip, right? That's a common dip, right? Even from here to here is probably 8% when you just look at these little dips in the market before the next rally. Okay, it's like a 10% dip, but still, I mean, like, it just shows you that, like, usually we retrace a little bit and then we have a nice bounce back. Perfect example right here, right? I mean, we had this nice little rally out of here. We fell down, right? We came up, had a nice little rally right here. Went up to back in January, went up to 245. I think we were live on stream when this happened. We're all excited. It came to 250. And then it came down to roughly, gosh, dang, I hate this came roughly down 12%. So, I mean, we could have a 12% fall, right? What would be a 12% fall from here? 12% fall would put us right here in this fair value gap. A 12% fall would put us at 265, which comes and eats up some of this fair value gap. But, we'll see what happens. It's hard to say, but I mean, that just kind of gives you a better prediction of where it's at. What's your prediction on Ethereum? I've always said I hope Ethereum gets to like 8K this bull run, and it's like looked more and more bleak over time. So I have a tangible wall, but open to learning more. It looks pretty good. Millamane, yeah. I mean, Pure Wallet, it's a new up and coming project. It's they actually been building for quite some time. So yeah, MetaMask is asking to add account or hardware wallet. I just want to save my tokens to a wallet. Yeah, so just it's asking to add an account or a hardware wallet. So if you want to add an account, you're just opening up a new wallet. So just save your seed phrase. If you add an account, you'll just basically adding a new software wallet, and then just save your seed phrase. I just want to save, yeah, and then just move your tokens over there if you want to. Or did you say, Millicent? Did you say your tokens are on Pure Wallet, or you're trying to get them to Pure? I forgot what you were saying there. Why are you so bullish on HBAR? Please explain. I mean, you had you had a representative from Swift come out to HederaCon and talk about using Hedera. And then also you have the ETF coming out here. So, I mean, there's just a lot of bullish things coming from the Hashgraph. Hashgraph is pretty legit. Just look into Hashgraph. You'll see that there's a lot of positivities. Okay, I got it. How do you send coin to wallet? Oh, I got it. How do you send coin to wallet? So I wouldn't right now. If you're going to send coins, you can just basically copy the Ethereum. Just make sure that it's whatever token you're sending over. Like if you're sending over Ethereum, make sure you use the Ethereum wallet, right? So yeah, you just go click on the Ethereum. I guess my question is, have you actually sent crypto to a wallet before? I just woke up. Sorry, brother. What are the buy zones for? I haven't done it, Chris. I haven't done it yet. I came straight from soccer, got on here, and I haven't done it yet, dude. No problem, dude. I would love H bar more, but I thought at the end of the cycle and then lost my H bar during the Voyager collapse. Oh my god, that makes my stomach hurt. Oof, I'm so sorry, dude. The Voyager thing was crazy, dude. Good question. He ended up coming back around and talking about it. Dude, if H bar gets added to the crypto reserve, that'd be wild. Swift partnership is huge for, yeah, I would agree. I'd agree with you, Mr. Ripa. I'd agree 100%. It's huge. It's huge. Yeah, H bar is huge. They got a lot of positive things going for them. I love, dude, Filecoin's like my OG, bro. Filecoin's like one of those OGs. You know, I don't know where it's going to go. To be honest with you, I mean, it has the death cross right now. You can see there's a massive death cross with it. It'll be interesting to sort of see where it goes. To be honest with you, I don't know. It's an old school. It's really old school, but I mean, you can see back here in March of 2024, this thing went up to $12, sitting here at $3. I mean, even right now, you get like almost 4x, 369, almost 4x your investment if it goes back to that pricing. But Filecoin's an OG. I like it, but that's just me personally. I just sent USDC to Songbird and threw it and didn't go. I don't know anything about Songbird stuff, dude. Like, what do you think about Tangent Wallet? People really like Tangent Wallet. I don't own a Tangent Wallet, Firematic, but hear people on the A team attest to it and love it. So, prediction for Sol. I've always said that Solana probably, if I would be shocked if it didn't get to $1,000 this bull run. Sol will raise over 1,000 this year. Yeah, there you go, right there. I think that was. I made a video back like 2 years ago saying how Solana could probably get to $1,000. I will see if it happens. Yeah, Flare actually came out pretty hot right now. I've been MIA, been keeping up though, just not on lives. Oh, you're good, Alex MC. Appreciate you being here, bud. Follow, definitely want to get in. Storage will always be needed. Sweet, yeah. So yeah, I think Filecoin's a legit one. Yes, that means you're a subscriber. Yep, 100%. Welcome, Abel. I know I've been MIA. Yeah, you're good. AVAX. I'm not big into Polkadot. AVAX is legit, soldier. Knowing that what Donald Trump said about the XRP being a crypto reserve asset for the United States, that indicates that Ripple and the Trump administration made a deal. Probably did, Six Stringer. Probably did. Is Quant dead? No, I don't think Quant's dead. $10 H bar this year. I don't know about $10. $2. I think $2. $2 is probably not outside the realm of possibility. Oh, okay. I didn't go purchase another wallet because I lost out on the first wallet from Tangent Wallet, and I couldn't save tokens from my Robinhood account on there. Yeah. So what you could do, Millicent, if you have the seed phrase of your Tangent Wallet that you lost, you could take that Tangent Wallet seed phrase and upload it into MetaMask, and then you would have access on a hot wallet right in MetaMask there. And again, that's the best part about these wallets is that you can mirror them anytime you want. You know, usually you don't want to mirror your cold storages, but in this instance, you probably could. Yeah, and you could save those tokens if you do that. If XRP gets to 1,000, Austin, will you still come on at 10 a.m.? Yeah, I like you. You know, I like doing YouTube. I don't come on here. This is not a job for me, guys. I don't treat YouTube as a job. I come on here because I enjoy it. Like I truly do. I don't treat it like a job. I come on at 10 a.m. because that's the best time. You know what I mean? I do everything I need to do in the morning, take the kids to school, live my life. I come on at 10 a.m. because it's, you know, I try to create a schedule, but like, I don't come on here for a job. Like people think that like I come on here because I have to, or like I'm trying to, you know, I don't. I come on here to hang out with you guys, to talk crypto. And that's really it. I know people think that like I do it for a job. Like I'm trying to be like this content creator that's trying to become the best, you know, the best content creator in the world. Like that's never what I started this for. So I know it sounds crazy, but like I don't treat this like that. So once you start treating it like a job, dude, it becomes a job and you hate it. So to answer your question, I mean, even if I became a billionaire, I'd probably still come on and do YouTube because I enjoy it. It's fun. It's fun to talk with you guys. We hang out. This stuff is amazing. I mean, we've been going through the ups and downs of this whole thing. Like, why would I trade that away? You know what I mean? They'll get dropped to the wallet. They'll get dropped to the wallet that you purchased it from. So yeah, you'll get airdropped those tokens right there. Also works with Brad Gardenhouse. This is his hobby. That's actually pretty funny, dude. And a YouTube paycheck, no. I mean, yeah, I mean, YouTube, yeah, you get, yeah. I mean, obviously, it's monetized. People, send super chats and stuff like that. But like, I'm not saying like I guess I'm not coming on here like I got to come on here and I got to get those super chats and I got to make sure that I'm getting this monetized. Like, it's not. I come on here and do it, and there's a perk to it for sure. Like, there's a massive perk. I'm not denying that. But like, I'm never treated like a job. Like, I got to get on here. If I don't get on here, like, that's when you'll lose it all, dude. That's when it becomes horrible. Like, I do this for a hobby. I do this because I enjoy it. I don't do it because I have to. For the last month, I've watched about 100 YouTubers on crypto. Without question, A is the most informative, but also keeping it fun. James, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, dude. I try. Like I said, I mean, teach our own, right? We're not there's so many other content creators out there. Like, there's a lot of people out here that do not like me as a content creator for whatever reason, right? And it's okay. There's always someone else out there for you. You know what I mean? And I'm just appreciative of the people that show up here every day and that are part of the A team. And because you guys make my life awesome as well. So, like, 6 string, it's gonna be interesting to see how that works. You know what I mean? I don't know how Ripple's gonna play out with that. Yeah, I took a half year break from YouTube and just came back a few months ago. Yeah, I did. I just came back. I was like, I'm gonna go back and talk. Austin doesn't have to come on YouTube. Code Core. Yo, easy Code Core. Easy Code Core. Good. Let me give my secrets out. Do you think tomorrow, with the banks opening up, everyone goes up tomorrow? Yeah, it could be. Could be, yeah. This is a crypto account that keeps it real. I try to. Like, I try 100%, dude. Would you put money in Cardano or ETH? I'd probably put money in. That's tough, dude. ETH's been a slow mover, man. They're both slow movers. I like I said, the one thing I like about Cardano a lot right now is the Bitcoin layer 2 they're going to be coming out with. I think that's legit. I appreciate that, Arster. Thank you. HBAR's flipped 0.26 support. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, it's coming down right now. You can see there's a nice little fair value gap on the week. That's a weekly chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, there's a fair value gap on the 4-hour coming down here at the 24, which is a buy zone, right? That's my buy zone. Split that fair value gap right there at the buy zone at 24. I mean, yeah, people hope it doesn't come down there, but I mean, that is a fair value gap right there. Let's see what the 12-hour looks like. 12-hour looks like it's at the 25. So yeah, 12-hour obviously looks a little bit more, but there's another one down here. So I'll have to pull the I'm gonna have to pull the fibs tonight, so to see where we're at for tomorrow's stream. New sub here, sir. Do Bitfunded legit planning to take challenge? What are you talking about? I don't know what that means, Jason. Somehow that membership came through. You must have worked some magic. Try to, Gabe. That's all I do. Try to work some magic. Is ISOs compliant coins you should be buying? Yeah. Yeah, the ISOs are legit, right? XLM, HBAR, all those. I've watched other YouTubers overhype projects and have got wrecked. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of those things that can happen. You know what I mean? So again, I think and you could associate that with Pure Wall, right? I think what the Pure Wallet is that it's actually there. I mean, people can see it. So yeah, I traded in all my ETH for Pure Wallet token. Damn, Papa Don coming in hot, dude. And we love you, Austin, for all you do for us by educating us, especially the newbies. I appreciate you. Hey, no problem, Millicent. And like I said, if you lost your Tangem, please just take your seed phrase and upload it into like a SafePal or a MetaMask, or you can get a new Tangem and wait for it, and you can upload it there as well. That's the best way to recover it. It should show up there. Just realize that is now a hot wallet, though. It's no longer a cold storage. I look forward to all of Austin's streams. I'm still new here, and the A team welcomes with open arms. Hell yeah, Lloyd, dude. That's what it should be about, man. Always should be about that. How did Richard Hart and Hex beat the SEC? Super Hex would die. That's kind of cool, dude. I got to hand it to him, man. Kudos to Richard Hart, man, for being able to do that. 100%. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, too. I do taxes for the same reason you do this stream. You having pride in what you do, love to do, what helps everyone feel good doing it. Ethan, I appreciate that. Yeah, that's I just enjoy it. Like I said, I enjoy coming on here. I waited like 10 hours today to get on here to talk about everything that happened today because I kind of just totally missed it with soccer, but it's okay. Thoughts on Ledger Flex? I like Ledger, dude. Some people don't really care for the Flex, but I mean, some people really like it. Dude, that'd be nuts, Sage. That'd be nuts. That'd be crazy. I'd be down for it. Sign me up. Sign me up. Did you study ICT? I did not. For these fair value gaps? No, I did not. I did not, A-Mile. don't think I studied ICT for him. You think XRP will hit 10,000? Yes, it's gonna hit $10,000 tonight. This mean the XRP? I think so, Chris. Why else would you? I mean, you're gonna invest in a. It has to be over, dude. Like this is 100% has to be over. What is the realist goal for Cardano in March? In March? Oh, good question. Shoot, that's I haven't really studied a whole lot with it. I haven't really studied a whole lot with Cardano. To be honest with you, I don't know where it's going to be in March. I said 385 for XRP in March. I've never done it for ADA, so I probably have to go and give you a number on that one. I haven't done that, but I for XRP, I'm sticking to my 385. 385 is my number for XRP. I'm not going away from it. 385 is my number in March for Q1. I'm trail running Pure Wallet Plus on one of my miner phones. It looks good so far. I shall wait for the coin. Oh, that's awesome, bro. Good to hear. BlackRock bought 7 million Ondo 2 days ago. Did they really? I knew the soccer that caused the pump. Dude, it was so funny how that works out, right? Nicholas, I love you too, bud. Austin said it 10K to Naya. You guys are wild, dude. You guys are crazy. I love it, though. I absolutely love it. Lawsuit dropped an ETF. Approval would make me wealthy. Dude, you and me both, bro. You and me both. XRP isn't going to go to the moon. Elon's rocket. Yeah, I know. What's up, Gen X? Is there a website that shows what whales contribute to the overall crypto jump? Whale Watcher, dude. You can go watch whale alerts. Go to whale alerts, dude. This guy tracks everything, dude. Whale alert, whale_alert on X. Anything you want to know where whales go, this is what you do, dude. You go to this guy. 500. It says 500 million XRP unlocked from escrow at Ripple. He clicks on the you can actually go and check on the transactions. You can see where they did with it, everything, dude. So like, I mean, whale alert is probably one of the best things out there if you want to know that kind of stuff. Yeah, we did. What's up, M. Craig? Good to see you. Yeah, we saw Eric's tweet here, which is freaking awesome. Yeah, retail investors obviously won today if you bought the dip. What's the Pure Wallet logo look like? It looks like this. Looks like that right there. It's like a shape of a wallet, basically. You know, it's like a P for pure, but it's a shape of like a wallet opening. So, bought more XRP. Yeah, that's good, dude. That's good. I love what Trump. What does that say? I love what Trump has done for the retail investors. Yeah, dude. I mean, this crypto with Frank. This definitely helped out big time. Would you keep dumping into XRP or hold and see where it goes? I'm a hold and see where it goes. I got swing trade here and there, but I mean, I've dumped into a pretty deep swing trade with HBAR. I invested like a pretty good amount of money into this HBAR swing, and it's paid out substantially. And I'm gonna hold this. I want to get back to it. I'm gonna hold back to a $30 cents for my HBAR. I invested probably the most I invested in a swing trade in a long time on HBAR, and I had a DCA. It was not easy. It was not easy, dude. But now I look back, and like I said, all that pressure was like just released. Like oh man, these last couple of days have been really good for HBAR. I think I'm 20. I think 22 somewhere here. I think it was 20 is where I was at. You know, so we're up like 30%. But this thing went all the way up. Yeah, it was pretty good, man. I'm lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying podcast. It depends on what coin is because you have different networks, but generally 2 to 3 minutes at the most is my experience. What wallet do you use for Pure Wallet? Well, to buy the Pure Wallet token, I've used MetaMask. MetaMask is the token, and I've also used SafePal. I purchased it twice on different just to test the wallets. So those are the ones, if I'm buying Pure Wallet token, those are the tokens I'm using until Pure Wallet actually until they get approved by Wallet Connect. Once they get approved by Wallet Connect, you can actually use Pure Wallet token to buy the pre-sale in the wallet. So that's kind of what the wallet's waiting for. What's your prediction of HBAR? I said $2. $2 is kind of where I'm at, bro. Austin, my wife knows your voice now. Lloyd, you're watching that Austin guy again. Well, tell your wife I said what's up. I appreciate her for recognizing my voice. Hopefully it's not too annoying for her. North Korea is about to announce XRP girls. Hey, I'm down with it, dude. Everyone announced the reserves. I'm cool. I'm on board with that. If I'm correct, once you move HBAR to hashback and stake it, no strings attached, free airdrops. Yeah, you could do stuff like that for sure. Do you know what happened with the XRP? They haven't said what happened with the XRP lawsuit, but we could probably predict that it's sitting nicely. You know what I mean? Does this mean that the SEC will drop? I think so. I think they're going to drop the case, dude. I mean, why else would you invest into you're not going to invest into, something the SEC is going after. I noticed a few comments saying that they're selling their XRP. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I mean, a lot of us bought super, super early, dude. Levan to say, thanks so much for staying with us every time there was a big pullback. Feels great to be here again in better times. Yeah, 100%. And I appreciate that. Yeah, try to be here every day. Try to be here every day at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you could always catch me if you're bored, at least at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I bought more Harry Potter Obama Sonic. Damn, Gabe. That's good, dude. I know you're joking. Tell your wife what's up. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that, Nicholas. I meant like say what's up. Like she obviously knows. You're hilarious for reading comments. I know. That's funny, Nicholas. I didn't mean it like that. I meant it like just like what's up, dude. Oh my god. You gave a valuable. Oh, I appreciate that. Valuable content. You got to have fun, right? You could turn on. Okay, turn off. Thank you. The SEC will have to face lower XRP. Yeah, it'll be interesting to sort of see. This has been such a crazy week in crypto. Oh, I'm with you. It's been so crazy. XLM price prediction. I just wanted to get to its all-time high of 98, right? 98 cents. And I haven't really done a price. I guess maybe I did do a price prediction. I think I did a price prediction at 281, 282. I think is my price prediction. I should probably mark that. Let me mark that. I did this back a while back. These are hard. Where's my freaking horizontal line? There it is. Looks like I did it at 281. We'll leave it at 281. Victor, good night to you too, bud. Appreciate you, man. I don't care. I don't know if you care. Just a thought. What are you saying, handicap? Here, 4236 market cap extension is a bit lower than $2. Just subscribed. I bought 1,500 worth of XRP today. 290. You think I'm good? I mean, I've always said that XRP is going to win. I mean, personally, if you want some positive news, like this is such a bullish looking chart. So like, look at that chart and tell me that's not bullish. Let me get this little trend line out of there. I mean, so you bought at the peak at 290. It did hit up 3, but I could see this get back into the 3s again. So all-time highs for sure. I mean, I've said that, like, this is the first time I feel super confident saying that like XRPs, all these cryptos that they announced will definitely be hitting all-time highs. Sorry, was the guy asking what wallet to use, and then also mentioned about maybe. Yeah, I was talking about right now the Wallet Connect, you need Wallet Connect to be able to connect to the blockchain, right? So like on Pure Wallet hasn't been approved by Wallet Connect yet. So until that happens, you can't use the Pure Wallet to buy the pre-sale. Once the Wallet Connect actually when I say Wallet Connect, like right here, when you say Wallet Connect, you go to all wallets. Eventually, you're going to be able to type in Pure Wallet here. You'll be able to type in Pure Wallet, and it will pop up. And at that point, you'll be able to use it. Inside the Pure Wallet, you can actually see that there's the pre-sale in there. So, yeah, that's kind of what I was saying. Damn, bro, you're still holding that whole H-bar swing. Figured you would sell. Yeah, I'm still holding it, bro. I told you I'm going hard. I'm going hard, Zeagle. I told you, dude. I'm gonna probably hold that until 40 cents. Which would literally be, that would be a 3, dude. 40 cents would be, yeah, I literally go up 100% on my investment, So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do it, dude. Dude, bought the top of XRP. Yeah, 290. That's a tough buy, right? But it happens, dude. It happens. Do you have a promotional code for Pure Wallet token? I buy some with extra money I have laying around. Would love to get back to you. I do not, dude. Because I made my purchase way before they did the leaderboard thing, and so I haven't purchased any more. So I haven't got, I bought that $6,000 at 4 cents, and then they created the leaderboard, and I was like, God dang it! And so I haven't got a promo code yet because I haven't bought any more because since the pre-sale. But I'll probably be buying more. And when I do, I'll share with you, Borshito. And I appreciate you thinking of me. Do you think we have a pullback later tonight? I mean, we're already kind of having a pullback right now, right? There's a little bit of a pullback. We're talking. I mean, this thing went on a god. I mean, this thing went nuts, dude. It pulled back. It's pulled back 6% so far. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. Dude, I was looking at the charts today after the news had a hit and the green candle started forming. Godzilla has awake. I know, Milton. I'm with you, bro. I was like, dude, I was driving and I was like, got in an accident. I didn't realize I was getting that, but I felt like I was just like on this high. Oh, I get what you're saying. You're saying at the 423. Oh, the market cap has it at a 67-cent extension. I get what you're saying now. Maybe I messed up because I still have not gotten anything in my wallet. I sent Shiba. Did where'd you send it to? If I'm lying, I'm dying podcast. Where did you send it to? A Pure Wallet, or did you send it to like another wallet? Sitting in the stupid hospital after today's peekaboo accident. Oh no, Gabe. 290 XRP is still cheap. I'm with you, Lloyd. I'm like, hey man, it's not that bad. Pump will continue until next Sunday, then 20% correction with XRP and ADA. You think so? How high you think ADA goes? I think ADA is going to do good. And if I'm buying all the dips over the past few months, dude, a lot of us do. What are you buying XRP at? I mean, I'm not buying it right now. We bought this last dip pretty hard. What's the charts look like? I would show you the charts, but I got that's why I hadn't streamed on TikTok for so long. I got red flag. I got what's it called? I got strikes on here for streaming the charts, so I just stopped. That's a bull flag now. It kind of looks like it, right? On the weekly. That's definitely a bull flag, right? On the weekly. Oof. Yeah. It kind of, I mean, usually the flag comes down a little bit. Usually you'll have like a little bit of it. I mean, like it definitely kind of forming something. On the Pure Wallet. Yeah, so it should show up on SHIB. I mean, yeah, your SHIB should show up. I think it should show up. Like I said, if you're having issues with it, you can definitely if you're having issues with it, definitely go to the little bug up here and say, hey, I'm having an issue, and let them take care of it. Cause like it should show up. Like I said, I don't know. Yeah. And kudos to you for only sending a little bit to test it out first. That's how it always should be. Someone punch you for looking at their wife. Austin, what's your biggest factor for trying to determine a top of the cycle if you had chosen one already? So really, I've always said that like, when you go to like, let's just take Bitcoin, for instance. Okay. Bitcoin's obviously like one of our largest here. I've always said that the high, we're going to go 70%, 70 to 75% down from, or 70 to 70% down from our all-time highs. If you go back and look at the history of Bitcoin, we say, okay, the previous high, we go to the previous low of the previous bull run. So last high in 2021 was roughly around 68,000. It went all the way down. The previous low, or the previous high of the previous bull, was 71% down, which again was sitting around roughly, what was that? 19,000. Well, if you go back and you look at the previous bull run, the previous low hit the previous high of the previous bull run over here, and it went down around 71 to 72%. So I guess my question now is to say, okay, so if we're going to come down 72% down, in our next low, the next low is going to be around $68,000 Bitcoin, because that was the previous high of the previous bull. Then when you start to take measurements, you're going to say, okay, so 72, okay, so at 220,000 Bitcoin, that's not enough. Okay, so where is it going to be? Well, let's go up to 250, which I have marked. And that puts us right around 72,000. So I said a 250 Bitcoin, $250,000 Bitcoin would be the height of this bull run. And you can see where we're at, right? We're just beginning. So the height of the bull run would be 250 based off of previous three bull runs, previous previous three bull runs going into our fourth bull run. And if that number matches up, then we'll be at a 250 Bitcoin. And then we know that we'll be able to buy Bitcoin back when it drops below, back down to $69,000. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at, dude. No, you'll see it on the site, Eddie. It's not going to show up until they launch the token, Eddie. I can see it on the site. That's good. If you see it on the site, then you're good. But the app, it won't until they actually airdrop you. When you send the coin to the Pure wallet, does it send fast? It usually could take like it's an Ethereum base, so it could take like 2, 3, 4 minutes. But if you'd want to, like I always tell you people to do is to take your download MetaMask or SafePal and upload your seed phrase from Pure Wallet into MetaMask, into SafePal. Like upload that seed phrase over there and mirror your Pure Wallet, and then you can double check things. I mirror them all the time, dude, because I like to double check things. So I do that all the time. It's not an uncommon thing. There's glitches in all wallets. MetaMask has issues. MetaMask has some issues. There was a lot of hacking going on in MetaMask. I've mirrored that with SafePal and only use SafePal, and vice versa. I've done that a lot with wallets, and I think people should, right? That's how you protect yourself in a decentralized world. So definitely should be doing that. Head and shoulders forming. Yep. Interesting. Would you do the same when the alts? I'm guessing alts are around 80 to 85. So if you go back, let's just go back and look at which one that you want to look at. Solana is kind of hard to look at, but I mean, we could look at Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum, right? Ethereum's an alt. Let's take Ethereum, right? The two biggest cryptos out here. Why is that only showing right there? What the hell? It's kind of weird that it only showed that much. Yeah, that's kind of weird. What the hell? Why is it only? Oh, because I'm in weeks. Okay, I was like, dude, why is that? That's crazy. Okay, let's go to days. Oh my god, I think I messed up my there we go. Gosh, it's taking forever. So you can do the same thing with here. So the previous bull, right? So we could say we went down to the previous height of the previous bull, and the Ethereum went down 81%, right? And but the previous high was right around was not that low. It was at actually 1,400. So this actually went below an 82% sell-off, right? And you can go back and look at the previous ones over here where these ones came down. It's hard to judge, but we're saying that usually around 80 to 85% of the alts will lose their value. So you're going to say, okay, and I haven't done it with Ethereum, but you say, okay, 82%, and this is just some quick math here. We go to the previous high. So, I mean, that's a lot right there, right? I don't know if it's going to hit that, but if you were to do it based off that, that's kind of how you'd look at it. But I mean, I don't think it's going to hit $18,000. But yeah, kind of crazy. Was that actually the right math? Yeah, shit. I mean, that's what's kind of looking at. It's kind of weird, but that's kind of how I do it. I mean, that's kind of how it's been before. It should lose 80% of its value. It should lose 72% of its value. So if it loses 72% of its value, where would the number be? Where would the number be? And that's for me with alts. Yeah, thanks so much. It's not going to be the same like previously, and that's too. There's so many different factors. It's so hard to say, dude. It really is. Like I said, these are just projections, trying to get you in a ballpark. That's really what it was. How do you do that? A tutorial. So just take your seed phrase, bro. So you wrote down your seed. When you opened up your wallet, you wrote down a seed phrase, right? A 12 word seed phrase. Just go over to SafePal, open up a new wallet, and say import wallet. And then when you import the wallet, you'll write down whatever the seed phrases that you wrote down. You'll actually type those into the new seed phrase, and then that wallet then you'll open up. You're importing that wallet into. You're importing your Pure Wallet into that SafePal wallet or whatever one you use, and then you'll be able to see what's in that wallet as well. So you'll be able to look in the Pure Wallet and see what's in there, and you'll be able to look in SafePal and see what's in there. It's the same wallet. So that it's really easy to do. I see George Tuesday night have a little pullback. Oh, you agree, George? Okay, yeah. All right, we're gonna I'll be on here for about another 12 minutes. We're gonna pull in this next 4 hour. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for, is to pull in the 4 hour here for XRP. So XRP will have a new 4 hour here in about 12 minutes. So we'll see what happens here. It's already starting to fill this fair value gap. And I did create a how to buy video if you want to right here. How to buy a Pure Wallet token. You can see over here on their website. I did do that for them. So out of kindness, because I'm nice. But yeah, so we're already starting to fill this up here. We already came down to 277. We already filled this fair value gap on the 4 hour. The next fair value gap is going to be anywhere from the 255 to 245 if we continue to have a little bit of sell. wait for a pullback on XRP. I kind of wait for the pullbacks on these things. So that's just me personally. Solana's too pricey at this point. Yeah. What's up, DP? Good to see you, man. Wow, that he announced this on a Sunday. Well, I think Spanky, it's kind of what Eric Trump said, right? Go back to what Eric Trump said earlier. I kind of think that's kind of why they did it, right? It's to show that the stock market is so far behind on their traditions, right? He said, I love the genius of announcing a strategic reserve on a Sunday when traditional markets are closed and Wall Street sleeps. For the first time, retail investors win. Traditional finance better catch up or it will quickly become extinct. The world no longer runs on a Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more with that. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'll buy some ADA when it comes back down. Yeah, you should. When's a good buy on H-bar? I mean, people were buying H-bar at 29 cents, 30. I mean, dude, like it's still probably a really good purchase that even right now with this rally back, right? I mean, I think people were buying it up here. I mean, look at the volume that was up here. The volume's at 29. Look at that. Hasn't even got to 29. The majority of the volume's at 29, and you're sitting at 26. This shows you, like, dude, like H-bar's still in a really, really good area. So people were waiting for it to come down to 29 to buy. Like a month ago. Overcoming demons, it's not working for you. Don't max out your ETH. That's probably where a lot of people get hiccuped, is they max out their ETH when they're trying to buy it. You got to account for gas fees. So that's kind of what happens when you try to buy. So don't max out your ETH. So if like you have, like, let's say you have 0.5 ETH, just put like 0.4485 or 495. So you have money left over for gas. You got to account for the gas. H-bar or XLM. I'm an H-bar. I love XLM too. Don't get me wrong, but H-bar, I just hold more. I just click sign up for wallet. If you're gonna buy the pre-sale, you gotta have a token. You gotta have ETH in your wallet. So like put ETH in a MetaMask or a SafePal, and then connect your wallet and purchase it that way. I have to connect a wallet to it. Yeah, that's how you buy it, dude. So you have to go in here. You have to connect a wallet. Right here where it says wallet connect. Connect your wallet. Connect it, and then that's where you'll like, I have 0.2 ETH right here, so I'll come over here to the amount, and I'm going to say, okay, I want to put in 0.25 ETH, which gives me 12,270 tokens, and then I'll say buy with crypto, and then boom, you go, right? So that's how you do it. Again, you don't want to max that. You don't want to hit max, because if you hit max, then you're not going to have enough for gas. Waiting for your answer, mate. What'd you say, Jelly Dude? What is your view on Algorand and ICP? I like Algorand. ICP, ICP is good. I think, obviously they're trying to. I think ICP is really trying to do a lot of things, but just again, I'm more, I guess, probably Algo would be the one I'd be in on more. So just personally. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Good question. I don't know when the pre-sale and sponsored by Pure. I actually am not sponsored by them, dude. I'll be honest with you. People are just asking questions. I'm not sponsored. I take that back. I did take $1,000 back when they first launched in January, and to put it into my Discord. And that was the only thing I took, was to put it into my Discord for the people in Discord. So that's being 100% transparent with you guys. Everything else in that, I haven't been paid for a single thing. Again, this is tech I worked on. This is tech that I am excited about personally. So obviously I'm going to share that with you guys too. It's not just because there's a token launching. It's because this is like, in a way, I mean, I worked on this for a while myself, and know the team. Went out to South Korea, so like I think there's a big difference here with this tech versus other things. Like I'm excited about it. Big difference than being a paid influencer. I'm not a paid influencer by them. People think I am because we talk about it, because a lot of other influencers in this space get paid to talk about these things. I'm not taking a dime from them right now. If they want to come back and do something, give me something at the end of it. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But right now, I'm not even thinking about that. I just think the tech is awesome. Maybe I'll be like the PayPal guy. I'll be Eric M. Jackson, and just like become part of the team, and then become a pure wallet mafia guy. Kind of how Eric did that with PayPal. Awesome. Be involved. Will make it made in the US. Dude, hell yeah, dude. Bring it back. Bring it to Texas, dude, where there's no taxes. When you were sick, you were plugging ginger shots. Dude, I'm not doing ginger shots, dude. Screw that stuff. That messed me up. In the future, I only buy on pullbacks and retracements. Yeah, 100%. So I know people think that. That's kind of where I'm at, but right now that's not it at all with Pure Wallet, dude. I get it. I get that people want to say that, but it's not it, dude. Later, but okay, take it easy, Predator. Appreciate you, man. You have an unbelievable patience with people accusing you of stuff. Pacific Northwest, that's okay. Cookie cutter. I think it's just being, if you're honest with people and you're being real, there's nothing to like. I'm like, that's why you can't be upset, because like it's just, they can say whatever they want to say, accuse me whatever they want to accuse me, but I mean, as long as like I know, I'm sticking to like my own authentic self, like I could care less. You know what I mean? So I appreciate that. Yeah, I do appreciate that. I just I'm being honest with you guys, dude. There's not a lot of tech in this space. There really is not. Like, go name me a project right now that is new in this space that actually has new tech coming out here. I'll wait. I will wait. And if you can show me something that actually is legit, I will 100% look into it and talk about it free of charge, because it's legit. Like, that's what you should do in this space. You should find legit projects that have legit technology and not go charge people to talk about it. That's when that's how it should be. But that's just me. Michael, thanks so much for the $9.99 super chat. Well done on this channel. I love these content. Updated HBAR price prediction of two. Hey, Mike, thanks so much for the super chat. It's still $2, bro. I don't think I've updated it. I'm sticking to $2 because that's like kind of like where I'm excited for it. So $2 is like my 2025 price prediction. And if it goes up more than that, then we definitely made it, dude. You do you, boo boo. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, do you, boo. Appreciate you, 808 Mimis. Hell yeah. You do you. Thank you so much. And Michael, welcome. You are officially now a member of the A team. Thank you so much. Welcome, my friend. Appreciate you a ton, dude. ICP. I'm Pure Wallet Mafia for show. Poor Shido. Pure Wallet Mafia for sure. I love it, dude. I love it. But I'm building for the next bull run. Me too, man. Me too, dude. You have to have thick skin. Yeah, show me the money. Yeah, this is, again, this is not my first row. I've been on YouTube for a while, dude. Like, so you're right. It doesn't really bother me, but I just like to let people know. I think it's important to like let people know, and they'll believe what they want to at the end of the day. Like, I'm not here to convince them, but I'll still tell them, and then I'll let them do what they want with it. But as long as you're true and authentic, and I like, there's no reason to lie. When am I lying? Like, why would I lie? Like, there's no reason to lie. So, and when the day comes that, if the day ever comes that, somehow, some way, I officially start working for them or do anything like that, or, become part of the team or sign the paperwork, or they give me a paycheck or anything like that, I'll be the first to come tell you guys, because I'll be excited, right? Why would I not? And then at that point, I'll be like, yeah, I'm shilling the hell out of this thing. Why are your coins up today, Austin? I mean, Trump just basically dropped the biggest bomb in terms of crypto out there. Can you look at landshare.io? I have no idea what that is, bro. Bought some Pure Wallet token coin. The FBI gonna hate me? No, you're good, dude. You guys are good, dude. All right, we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes until this comes in. So I bought, but I don't see it in my wallet. Yeah, you can only see it they haven't dropped it to your wallet yet, dude. They haven't dropped it to your wallet. So once they drop it to your wallet, you'll be able to see it. But as long as you see it on the main frame right here, the main thing, you'll be able to see it, dude. I'm definitely starting a mining facility in Ohio. Dude, that's badass, bro. Kudos to you, man. Best of luck with that. That's kind of like my dream, bro, is to just do mining. And that's kind of what excites me about the Pure Wallet too, to drop another ad by someone, is just the mining of it. I love mining. I love mining. And the Pure Wallet function of mining on your phone is pretty badass, dude. So like, I like that kind of stuff. My friend recommended me last month. He bought 50 cents. I bought 10,000 at $1.88. Dude, that's good, James. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks for helping me. No problem, Overcoming Demons. Appreciate you, man. Austin tried to super chat, won't work. Adam Z, I don't know, man. Why it wouldn't work? I don't know. I appreciate you thinking of it, though. Trump dropped the biggest bombshell for crypto. Good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, definitely. It dropped the bomb. Like, it's good. Like, it's a good. Like, he dropped a lot of alpha today. Ohio's gonna be the crypto hub, maybe. All right, 2 minutes for this next 4 hour. Let's see if this 4 hour comes in hot. Next 4 hour candle will be good. We'll see if we can build back out of this 4 hour candle. Usually we have a couple of 4 hours. No, we've done pretty decent on these. Oh, you have to. So Fan said you have to enable to allow super chats to be able to do the super chat. And I wanted to ask you and donate, but it won't work. It's all good, dude. I was going to ask you to look at XRP on the daily. Does the pattern look like a bearish head and shoulders? It's hard to, it's funny. Like, people are looking at the trends right now. Even if we go back to the daily, this news that came out right now with what Trump said, I regardless of signals, regardless of indicators, I don't think you could really play off those indicators. Can you do a tutorial video on how to mine on your Pure Wallet token phone? Yeah, once the Pure Wallet, once Pure Chain drops, as you guys know, this is an interface for the blockchain. And as you guys know, the Pure Chain, which is a proof of authority squared, which is a brand new kind of chain that's coming out here. This is dropping in October of 2025. And so the Pure Wallet is really going to be an interface for the Pure Chain. And during that, that's why when you go down and look at the reasons why the Pure Wallet token is so important, is because that's what's going to be built in here to be able to allow users to mine the token on the wallet, on the Pure Wallet. So the Pure Wallet will be the interface for the mining capabilities and the staking capabilities for the Pure Chain. And also right here, it gives you exclusive access to the upcoming Pure Chain coin private sale. So this is going to go into a private sale. And if you hold Pure Wallet tokens, you'll be able to have access to be able to buy the Pure Chain, which is going to be a coin, which will be a blockchain, just like a SUI, just like a Solana. So if you don't hold any Pure Wallet tokens or a certain amount of Pure Wallet tokens, you won't be able to get into the pre-sale. So that's kind of where it's at, dude. So there's a lot of positivities here. When will we be able to buy Pure Wallet token on the app? Well, you can buy it now. But yeah, when Wallet Connect happens, I'm hoping Wallet Connect comes up here sooner rather than later. So yeah, sooner rather than later. Have you checked out DNet? Gabe, I have not. All right, so new 4 hour just hit. New 4 hour just hit. Let's see let's see where it goes here. Did the 4 hour just hit? Oh, I'm on the day. I was like, dude, why is that crazy? Yep, 4 hour just hit. We'll see. Oh, we created another fair value gap. Wow, damn. It doubled up the fair value gap here. That's kind of odd. It dropped so fast it actually doubled up the fair value gap, dude. So this could actually be a bullish signal for that to happen. That's pretty crazy. You don't see that double up like that too often. That's pretty crazy on the 4 hour. Later, bro. Thanks for coming on here. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be hopping off here. It's good to see the 4 hour come back in here. We ended up at the low we got here was a 276. Ended up closing out the 4 hour at a 279, 280. So continue to build here. But what is the Pure Chain token or wallet? It's called PWT, Chris. PureWallet.ai. It's on a pre-sale right now. Like I said, the wallet's it's just like any other hot wallet out there, except that you can have a cold storage on your phone, and an offline capabilities, which is badass. But the Pure Chain is dropping here in October. Hopefully, I say October. It's going to be, I think they said Q4 2025, and at that point you'll be able to mine the Pure Chain, which I think mining capabilities is huge, dude. So with all that, guys, I'm going to hop off here. Appreciate each and every one of you guys coming on here. I will be on here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to talk more crypto with you guys. And I do appreciate each and every one of you coming in here and kicking it with me tonight. And, just being able to go through this excitement. I'm sorry I was not on earlier today. I wish I was, to be at that eureka moment of what everything was. So, what's up, Seiko? Seiko, I appreciate you being here again, man. Yeah, kind of missed out on it, but it is what it is. So with all that, love you guys a ton. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And with all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone.